is participated in the cremation of dead body.
Take it there.
Tomorrow,
How bailable offense he is?
302, 201, valid petitioner is made out to only allegation only cremation.
Oh, 302 is there.
Petitioner that acquitted before the law court below.
That's a different thing, but 302 is there. Not that it is available.
Similar putting.
Oh, see how can we adjust?
0734, who are 30734, custody in 6 months. Who accused,
See, I don't want to give preference to.
my lord, who accused have been granted bail and.
That's right. You have a case, then serially this should come.
Since 6 months.
Give. We just see how can we adjust. But
Your Honor, I'm appearing as in person. Your Honor, last 28/5 रे जो order टी ହେଇଥିଲା petitioner को जाके पिलार दे दो स्कूल से तो जे पे करना दे तो स्टाइल सेटिंग सो प्लीज एटा को काली पे जदी शॉर्ट डेटा सेट के आसे कि डायरेक्टली अप्लाई करन दे.
Pardon your lordship, I am mentioning this memo is CRLMC, which is pending from 2023 and not been listed yet once. Only the listed.
Oh, 23 matters are listed. It will come.
I may be pardoned.
Published.
Yes.
I have filed interim application to release the accused on bail because of his death of his father. Day before yesterday, I have mentioned my lord.
Yes.
Instruction already received. Instruction already received, man. Today 10th day.
Today is the 10th day.
Take it up at 2 o'clock. I'll pass it. 2 o'clock. At 2 o'clock. I'm sorry. It could have been done in the morning, but I do.
Item 1.
Pass it.
Item 2.
Pass.
Item 3.
Pass.
Item 4.
May I please, Your Lordship?
Yes, sir.
This is for quashing of cognizance. Cognizance order is at Annexure 1, page 7.
Yes. Cognizance
Cognizance has been
offenses.
under section 364A against me.
Okay.
And my point is there is no material against me for 364A.
You are Karunakar.
Karunakara Khanda.
Karunakar, just see which part Karunakar says. Karunakar.
For first part, my lord, 26/7/21.
Karunakar. Yes.
Case record is put up today and received of FF by PS case number so and so under section so and so against accused persons, namely so and so. Then the relevant portion, page 8.
8, huh?
Page
Yes.
8. Prima facie offences are well made out against the accused persons. Cognizance is taken under section 364A. Accused person, namely so and so Karunakara Khanda, and under section so and so against others.
Others, okay. 364A.
My lord, allegation is.
Let us see where is the charge sheet.
Charge sheet they have not filed, my lord. Problem.
That is the whole difficulty.
Charge sheet
I'll have to see the charge sheet.
I have given some 161 statements.
That's right, but charge sheet, what they have said in charge sheet, because cognizance order has to be seen through charge sheet only.
I'll file
You
it
file it.
next week.
Next week, file it. Then Mr. Vishal and counsel for the petition seeks time to file the copy of charge sheet. These the matter.
Item 5.
Do you have the charge sheet? Then you have charge sheet with you.
I will get it.
You please file.
Item 5.
Yes. Password.
Item 6. Item 7.
Item 7, that
Yes.
is the both parties are settled between them.
What is the offense?
Offense 376, 294 and 5.
376 only.
376.
Boxer is not there.
No, Fox is.
Where are they?
They
They
decided to
decide-
marry the
marry-
month
December.
before.
Both are,
At this stage, can you pass, my lord?
it's both are a file.
Where are they?
Both are a file joint affidavit.
Where are they? They have to come.
They will next week.
No, they have to come. If they have decided to marry, let them marry and be happy with her.
Let us put
To bring them here. If they can appear through VC also, today I can take it up
Next.
next week.
Only next.
Item 8.
Yes. Adjourn. Adjourn.
Item 9.
May I please, Your Lord? My Lord, the alleged offence under section 307 and other offences. Allegation regarding that the co-accused along with the others have assaulted the informant, the opposite part note 2.
Hmm.
My Lord, I have annexed the injury report at page 25. The petitioner, there is a settlement between the petitioner and the
What are the offences?
my Lord, 307, 452, 294.
Charge sheet filed.
My Lord, charge sheet I have annexed in page.
Charge sheet also 307.
My Lord, 25 kindly peruse, my Lord, page 25.
Hmm?
Page 25.
Page 25. Okay.
Simple in nature, a reddish patch.
Simple.
My Lord, page 25, my Lord.
Simple in nature.
But the matter has been amicably settled between the parties. I have made the informant as opposite part note 2.
Then let us issue notice. It is simple injury case. Not 307 basically. 323.
My Lord.
Yes. Issue notice. Huh? Where have you said that you have settled the issue?
My Lord, page 5, para 7 and 8.
Then comes for the petitioner submits that he has settled this dispute with the informant of the injured in the present case on the ground of the matter being settled. He seeks indulgence of passport for passing up for the entire criminal prosecution against him. Issue notice to the opposite party. Number 2. He is the informant as well as the victim injured.
My Lord.
Injured, he is the opposite party number 2, returnable within a week. Why don't you bring him Monday, Tuesday?
Yes.
My Lord, because he's a doctor.
Then
I have intimated the petitioner that the matter is posted for today, but it is unable on his part to suddenly take a
okay,
leave.
next week you tell me if you can bring, I'll give you a date. That's what I'm saying. You tell the convenient date, bring him, I'll cause it.
My Lord.
Tuesday, Wednesday,
My Lord, next week Friday.
Friday. Okay, Friday.
Next week Friday.
Have issued notice, take
Yes. My-
Yes. No, do check. Yes.
Item
Okay.
10.
Pass on.
11.
Pass on.
12.
My lord.
Yes.
My lord, on the last occasion, the lordship has called for the status report from the
Yes.
court below, my lord.
Status
And
report.
my lord. 302 case, my lord. And in this case also I have filed in my IA, my lord.
Report. Like these, huh? Okay.
Witnesses, my lord.
There are 18 witnesses.
18
8
witnesses.
witnesses have been examined.
My
And you people are not cooperating with the trial. So that's why it is lingering. That's what the report is. You appeared, the under trial prisoner has appeared through VC, but the defense counsel is absent. On being asked, the UTP did not agree to take assistance from SDC and legal aid. Cross examinations of the witnesses are dispensed with. All these things are
I will
happening.
take it
Now it is listed on 22/8/2000.
My lord. I pray only, I filed an I. 1077 of 2024, my lord.
IA for what?
I for interim bail, my lord.
On the what ground?
On ground that the petitioner wife is suffering from huge monetary loss and he is unable, capable to give food to the daughters.
If that is the case, why you are not prosecuting? See, out of 18 witnesses, 8 witnesses have been
I
examined.
will take it,
Prosecution is keen to finish the matter.
my lord.
Why don't you do it? These are not the ground for,
My lord.
if medical ground is there, then I can understand. It's not a medical ground also.
Not medical ground, my
Then-
lord. Due to suffering from, since he is in custody since 18/7/2019.
Obviously,
My lord.
Supported to the prosecution.
pursuant to the order dated 26/7/2024, a report has been submitted by the Court of Second Additional District and Sessions Judge Cuttack, whereby it has been informed to this court that out of 18 prosecution witnesses, 8 witnesses have been examined, and the trial is marred because of non-cooperation of the defense. Hence, non-cooperation of defense. And in view of the aforementioned report, I am not inclined to entertain the present bail application. Or the petitioner, therefore, the bail application is rejected. Insofar as the interim prayer is concerned, the petitioner is granted liberty to make a prayer before the trial court. If such application is moved, the same shall be considered on its merits. Yes. Next.
My lord, dispute.
May I please, your lordship?
Yes.
The present petitioners have been charge sheeted under section 302, 201 and 34 of IPC.
Custody?
Custody since 1st of April 2023.
Yes.
And in the meantime, charge sheet has been submitted,
Hmm.
and out of 30 seated witnesses,
Hmm.
2 witnesses has been declared. 2 witnesses has been deposed. And stands hostile,
Hey, hostile.
my lord.
Eyewitness Munna.
One is
Eyewitness Munna.
Biplava Jena, from whom he had heard about the occurrence.
No. Who is the eyewitness?
No one is the eyewitness there.
No,
No one has seen the occurrence.
Sorry?
No, my lord, as per charge sheet, my lord, there are the eyewitness is the name is Munna, my lord.
Munna.
Yes, my
No one had seen the occurrence, my lord.
51.
The occurrence took place in the night time.
Just I'm ready.
Let's check it up.
My lord.
Hmm.
ମୁଁ ବିକାଶ ଆମ ଗାଁର ବିକାଶ ଲେଙ୍କା ତାର ଘରକୁ ଜଏନ୍ ହେଇ ଆସିଥିଲା ବିକାଶ ଲେଙ୍କାର ବାପା I may be read the relevant
yes,
part.
read it.
ୟା ପରେ ମୁଁ ଘରକୁ ଆସି ବିରିୟାନୀ ଖାଇ ଶୋଇବା ସମୟରେ
Hmm.
ଆମ ଘର ପାଖରେ ପାଟିଟି ଶୁଭିଲା ମୁଁ ପଦାକୁ ଆସି ଦେଖିଲି ଯେ ବିକାଶ ଆମର ଘର ସାମ୍ନାରେ ଥିବା ହରିହର କରାଳ ପିଣ୍ଡାରେ ଛିଡା ହୋଇଛି ହଠାତ୍ ତାର ବାସନ ଷ୍ଟାଣ୍ଡରୁ ଗୋଟେ ଗୋଇଠା ମାରିଲା ବିକାଶ means deceit, my lord.
Hmm.
Was no both hands. ସେମାନେ ଆସିବାରୁ ବିକାଶ ଲେଙ୍କା ହରିକୃଷ୍ଣ ଗୁହାଳ ଘରେ ଲୁଚିଗଲା ଏହାପରେ ହରିହର ବରାଳ ଓ ତାର ସାନ ପୁଅ ତପନ ବରାଳ ଆସି ଖୋଜିକି ସେ ଲୁଚିଥିବା ଗୁହାଳରୁ ବିକାଶ ଲେଙ୍କାକୁ ଖୋଜିକି ନେଇ ତାଙ୍କ ଘର ଦୁଆର ମୋ ସିମେଣ୍ଟ ଖୁଣ୍ଟରେ ବାନ୍ଧିଲେ ସେହି ସମୟରେ ହରିକୃଷ୍ଣ ବରାଳ କାହାକୁ ଫୋନ କଲା କିଛି ସମୟ ପରେ ତାର ବଡ ପୁଅ ଗରୁଡ ପୀତାମ୍ବର ବରାଳ 15 ମିନିଟ ଆସି ପହଞ୍ଚିଲେ ବାପ ପୁଅ 3 ଜଣ ମିଶି ବିକାଶର ବେକରେ ଗାମୁଛା ଗୁଡାଇ ତାର ବେକକୁ ଚିପିଦେଲେ ସେତେବେଳେ ବିକାଶ ଗଁ ଗଁ କରି ଆବାଜ କରୁଥିଲା ମୁଁ ସେତେବେଳେ ଆମ ଛାତ ଉପରେ ଛିଡା ହେଇ ଦେଖୁଥିଲି ଯେହେତୁ ସେମାନେ ନୃଶଂସ ଲୋକ
He has been,
The eyewitness.
Biplava Jena has been deposed.
Eyewitness is there.
He has been turned hostile, my lord.
I know. The
My lord, the
petitioner is accused in so and so case, and allegation is the petitioner is.
madam, my lord, he has been stood as hostile.
That's right. The other witnesses are there.
postmortem report is corroborating to
You have to wait till the
And
material.
the cause of death is due to Acute.
There are eyewitnesses to the occurrence and eyewitness, okay. I'm not inclined to.
On the body of the deceased so as to support the allegation of the physical
So
cruelty.
you are the husband.
Yes, my lord. I am custody, my lord, 7/10/2020. And charge
Yes.
sheet was also
He is
filed.
entitled to be. He is entitled.
Because the allegations have been made by all the family members regarding the torture.
Mhm.
And,
If it is
charge sheet has
accused.
also made
How
by
many
some-
accused persons are there?
3 accused persons pursued
Accused
already.
accused in FIR was also, allegation in petition is also. There are 3 is accused in the present case. The other 2 co-accused persons have already approached this court.
And this-
so,
ABLAPL number 13.
and this court by the order dated 7/2/2024 and 13/5/2024 have already enlarged on bail. Where is that part? Sir?
My lord, page 31, paragraph 6 of the order.
331. Yes, while.
He being an independent.
Accused persons, co-accused persons, according adventure of this court, inter alia has just taken page 31, para 6. So on so. I have produced the charge sheet and statements of witnesses recorded under 161 CRPC. It reveals from the statement of the independent witnesses that the victim had committed suicide, bolting the door from inside. And she was taken out from the house by breaking the door. Thereafter, she was taken to hospital. Hospital, she was declared dead. Declared dead. In view of the aforementioned, granted bail. Yes. Sir, sorry, wait. 7/17.
Taxi directed them to take instruction regarding the co-accused persons having already been released on bail.
Yes.
So, my lord,
You are there. Yes.
my lord, last the matter was listed, my lord, on July 12, 2024 before the Honorable Apex Court. Honorable Apex Court wrote that 4 weeks time is granted to cure the defects in the matter, failing which the matter shall stand dismissed without further reference to the court.
4 weeks is over now.
4 weeks has already been over, and we searched in the website, my lord, for what is the latest. There are no.
This matter has been filed in the month of March. Till today, defect has been not removed. I am custody more than 1 year.
Generally, once bail is granted, the court is loath in.
Reluctant. Usually the court never intervenes.
Never, yes.
That is the practice your lordship
Yes.
knows better than many of us.
So irrespective of whatever is happening there, let us concentrate on merit of this case.
Right.
Forget about the co-accused.
Right, right.
We will assume that co-accused has already been granted bail.
Right.
It is in fact granted bail.
In fact, granted bail.
So then what is the role of this man?
Whether she stood at par with the accused.
That's the only test.
That is the
With
only
part,
test.
then yes.
My lord, your lordship will see, my lord. There is no specific allegation, but I am supposed to be a developer of a website, my lord. Your lordship knows under the IT Act, my lord, it is not, there is no license is required to open up a website yourself, my lord. I can also create a website. But that is the allegation. That is allegation is that.
To the extent of creating, no problem. After creating, what you have done is more important.
After creating, the allegation is that one S. Nath alleged that there was a website, nothing to do with me. And he was asked by somebody that, are you interested to make quick money? Then he told yes, and then he was given 150 rupees. Then thereafter he again invested
1,000.
1,000 rupees, which was sent, supposed to be have sent from his friend's account, you know. Then, so there is nothing specific. Lord, your Lordship, you will kindly see the FIR, you know.
You are in custody since?
Lord, I am in custody since, request the yes.
ଚିତ୍ରାବେଲ କଷ୍ଟଡିରେ ଅଛନ୍ତି। ଏହାର 8 2023
13/8
13/8/2023.
About 1 year.
1 year. And I am one of on the ground that there is no specific allegation of entrustment or dealing directly with the
Right.
every person. I stand in the same footing. Where is the allegation, my lord, that I have received the money or anything has gone to my account by the informant, my lord. My lord,
What is specific against?
my lord, I am reading out, my lord.
Let my learned senior complete his version. I will only place 2 lines.
And page 17, your lordship will kindly see, my lord.
17?
17.
Okay. Yes. Yes.
FIR against creator of why it say developer of the application MD join upgrade financial growth to director proprietor of the fund redeem and honor private limited portal traders
This is 17 is the allegation.
yes, my lord. This is to submit that in pursuance of the above order, I conducted inquiry into the online financial fraud, and my inquiry reveals that at the outset of the inquiry, as regards the website, I am to note that
You are the creator of this website.
I am the authorized signatory of the website. I am not the creator, and the directors has already gone on anticipatory bail. That is Sanjeev Govind Swami and Sahai Govind Swami. Earlier, basing on a report made by one Vijay Kumar Nath, Kalandinath village, Bolonga, on 25/4/2002, to the effect that he received a message on 24/2/2003 from WhatsApp number such and such, reportedly belonging to one Ekasi Human Resources from Marathon Advert Company, who asked him if he was interested for earning extra money. When he showed his interest in it, the messenger sent him referral code, which ultimately connected him to a person named Rama on Telegram. The said person reportedly named as Rama gave him some task in the
What about the investigation? Charge sheet is filed.
Charge sheet file.
Charge sheet file.
Charge sheet filed. Well, read it from charge sheet. What has come against them? What has come against this man?
Madam,
What
so
is
far
53?
my knowledge goes, there is nothing specific against me, my lord.
Nothing.
Show me from the charge sheet what are the
Yes,
allegations.
my lord.
That is page 38.
My lord,
Brief facts.
page 30. The investigation, charge sheet 30, Lord, that the investigation also revealed that the directors of the above mentioned companies happened to be old employees of BT company arranged by S. Chitrawal, Sanjay Ji, and G. Sati. The name of the companies and the directors are given in the tabular form, Lord. Your Lordship will see that from the tabular form, my name is not there, Lord.
Yes.
That from the disclosure statement of S. Chitrabel recorded under section 27 of the Evidence Act and seizure of WhatsApp memorandum, it is ascertained that S. Chitrabel made communication through WhatsApp number such and such, such and such, such and such. The WhatsApp chat and other information are available in the above noted phone of S. Chitrabel. I am S. Chitrabel, madam. That
Yes.
investigation revealed that in the above mentioned WhatsApp chat between S. Chitraval and the persons noted above.
Where are you reading now? You are reading where?
Charge sheet,
Which
page
page?
31.
Page 31.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Type page 26, madam.
Okay.
in the underline, my lord. That investigation revealed that in the above mentioned WhatsApp chat between S. Chitrawal and the persons noted above are mostly about salary.
I'm not getting that page.
That your lordship will get it.
Page 26. my lord,
Your pages are completely different.
Page 26. This is the type page here, my lord. Running.
Running page will be page 44.
Yes, page 44.
Has your lordship got it?
Yes, now I got 44. Yes. During investigation. 18.20.
Then 18.28, my lord. Next page. That from the disclosure statement of S. Chitrawal under section 27 of the Indian Evidence Act and seizure of WhatsApp memorandum, it is ascertained that S. Chitrawal, that is the accused member before your lordship, made communication with WhatsApp such and such group, such and such cabinet director, this, that, are used. WhatsApp chat.
I will continue. We will continue then. We'll continue. Just.
Pardon to mention, my lordship. My lordship, weekly number 28, my lordship, both the parties are present here today. My lordship, my
2 o'clock I'll take it.
2 p.m. my lordship.
Sorry,
Okay.
your lordship.
No, it's all right.
Yes.
That's better.
Okay, 18.28 ready.
Yes.
18.2829.
On the strength of the disclosure made by you, recoveries are affected. 27 is read against you.
Lord? Recovery, what is the recovery?
18.28.
18.28, my lord.
Yes. That is the distinction it appears to be.
That from the disclosure statement of S. Chaturvedi recorded under 27 of
You
Indian Evidence Act.
you are Chitravel, huh?
My lord.
Yes.
It is ascertained that S. Chaturvedi made communication through WhatsApp with such and such, such and such, such and such, such and such, such and such.
All this.
The WhatsApp chat and other incriminating documents are available in the above noted phones of S. Chaturvedi. But what is that WhatsApp thing, my lord?
All these things are being done through WhatsApp only.
WhatsApp.
You are the kingpin.
What? Where is the allegation, my lord? Your lordship, this is very interesting, my lord. That investigation.
And I'll tell you, this recoveries, whatever is affected under 27, it is not a materialistic thing which is recovered like a weapon and all. These are the recovery made from your phone.
Provided that it implicates me, my lord. 1829, your lordship sees that investigation revealed that in the above mentioned WhatsApp chat between S. Chitrawal and the persons noted above are mostly about salary payment, request for hike of salary, notice received from other agencies, and LEA which shows involvement of S. Chitrawal in the illegal money transaction, my lord. How? If this is the conversation, my lord, then where is the allegation that I persuaded somebody, or mostly about salary payments? I was working in a company, my lord. That is admitted case. The company's directors has gone on anticipatory bail. And if I subsequently I made with B. Chan Wang, Chinese national former director of Betty Company, regarding opening of accounts in different banks, sharing conversations of directors regarding opening of So many bank accounts like incentive transaction.
You were earlier you were employee of
This two
Betec, Betec company.
Yes, my lord.
Earlier you were there.
Yes.
So you are the bridge between this.
Yes.
That is what they are
Yes,
alleging.
your lordship will kindly say the names of the directors are there. I read it out, my lord. That is.
What is the stage of the trial, sir?
My lord, the trial has not been.
Trial will never come, and within these years, all this time, my lord, custodial interrogation has never been asked for.
How many accused persons?
My lord, only your lordship, there are 4 accused persons so far.
And he is the only person.
No, apart from her, as from him, another person is also there. My lord, your lordship, may kindly see the amount involved is 135 crores.
It is immaterial, my lord.
He,
1829. Your lordship kindly read carefully 1829. That is all the allegation against me.
Yes.
Where is the allegation of that I persuaded somebody to invest? I defrauded. I opened up bank accounts in the name of my directors, my lord, on the instruction of the director. If the directors can be entitled to anticipatory bail, what crime I have committed, my lord?
That they have challenged. That they have challenged. That's what.
That they have challenged. They didn't cure the defect. It got dismissed, my lord.
No, the dismissal, sir, pending also.
Pending complete.
देखो status देखो ना मैं देखी सारी चीजें status pending.
They might have cured the defect by now.
Status देखो pending.
Maybe. Case
what is the difference between the role between the directors and
exactly, my lord.
And he is admittedly the employee of the company.
Admittedly, the king, he is the kingmaker, my lord. The other 2 are directors, my lord. Your lordship knows under the Companies Act, director's responsibility. I need not reiterate it. Now the question is, my lord, the very difference between the 2 is that he is the only authorized signatory of 135 crores of rupees, where the entire amount has been transacted, my lord. And the entire amount has gone abroad by using an international ATM card, my lord. And these 4 Chinese nationals for which lookout corner notices have been issued, my lord. They are yet to be apprehended.
The money has gone to China.
They have in China also they are not available. They were in India for some time.
These are gaming apps, my lord.
Yes.
No, gaming. I'll only take that.
They have gaming apps, my lord.
Sir, take care.
What is their case? Sorry.
So, lordship, may kindly turn to 18.22.
18.22.
My lord. Charge sheet page 21, my lord. That on scrutiny of the AOF and KYC and statement of another account of Byron Tech Solutions Private Limited by number so and so maintained with Bank of Baroda, it was found that S. Chitravel is the sole authorized signatory of the account during the period from 1/1/2022 to 21/7/11/7/23. An amount of rupees 135 crores 37 lakhs 30,160.52 has been credited in this account from different accounts, including so and so from ICICI Nodal account.
Their details.
Miller. So these are total amount transacted by this person, Miller, which is in your lordship will see the difference between the other 2 directors and him, Miller.
The account is in the name of the company.
In the name of company, and he is the sole authorized signatory. The entire account has been maintained by him. So director, maybe the company is director, Miller. The entire transaction.
What he was employed as a what?
It says that she is the
He must be having some designation in the company.
Again, this विषय आधार अच्छी. She was, he was working as, he recruited even the directors, my lord. All of them were.
No, what is he? He's in the company, whether he is a executive position or a
management position, my lord.
no, whatever designation you have to tell me. He was one of the directors.
One of the directors. And the only authorized signature.
And where is the resolution authorizing him? Show me the resolution. The company might have authorized him to.
And the company has been authorized.
Where is that? Where is that? Have you?
My lord, that your lordship will get, my lord.
That will cleanse the real issue.
Cleanse the issue.
Where is that?
My lord, that your lordship.
You locate and tell me.
My lord.
I'll put it next week.
My lord, your lordship may kindly have one glance.
See, there are two things which is coming for.
No,
First of all,
all right,
rather three things I'll tell you. You have to address that. First of all, you are the authorized signatory. I have to see the resolution. Second one is you were earlier employed in that BTech with the Chinese company, and you are the bridge between this Indian company and the Chinese company. Third is 27 recovery. These are the three things you have to address. These are the three things which is against you, which is different from the director.
It is not against me, Lord. 1831, your lordship may kindly have a glance.
Yes.
But what is this? That during investigation of the victim, namely Pooja Gupta and Desraj Kaushik, have been examined, and their statements were recorded under 161 CRPC and under 61 as well as the investigation. The involvement of Ethar, who is running this scam from China with the help of some of his associates in India, namely S. Tattwal, Sanjeev Govichan, and S. Arusha, have created, developed many fake and false software like Tinpati, Club, Lucky, Will, Jandi, Munda. But these are
17 company.
17 company. 17 company की Tinpati है कौन की company? रमी बेटी गोटा company अच्छी जानते
Gaming up company.
All gaming, these funny names are from gaming.
Right. Gaming up companies.
To allure people to invest.
Why you are investing?
Who is instrumental in having a bridge between the Chinese nationals and Indians? Except you. Except you, because you were earlier working in that Chinese company. And you came and took help of these other directors and created the account and all these things has happened. This is what it reveals from the reading of the charge sheet. So therefore you show me that. Next week you will see. Next week. Item 15.
My lord, I have filed IA for interim bail, my lord.
Yes.
On the ground that the father of the petitioner has a kidney failure, my lord. Last occasion, he received directed to take instruction.
My lord, before that, my lord, he has to clarify what is the age of the petitioner's father, because he mentioned that he was 62, but in the medical document it was 59. Why I am stating so, my lord? He is working as a grammaric. Still now he is in service. And my lord, kindly see that medical document, my lord.
What is that?
That he has annexed in the interim application, my lord.
Interim application, huh?
922 of 24.
922, yes.
My lord, kindly see that interim application.
Hmm.
Only that he has given some
59
pathology
years.
test document and another is one prescription. That case is, my lord, this is a case under section 302. The
No,
present
forget about merit.
Right.
You simply tell me whether he is 59 or 62, whether his kidney is already damaged.
No, my lord. This is the my instruction.
You verified it.
My lord, I have received the instruction. My lord, kindly see that he is regularly coming to the police station when he was asked that you. So it is better he not to place that in.
Stage of the trial.
My lord, stage he may be said because eyewitnesses are there and gun was recovered from the petitioner, and he is my lord. He is a ill-reputed person in the locality, and gun was seized. Eyewitness that are informant.
Agreed by the order dated Where is that, Bhaiya?
And order is 19/5/20.
19/5/2023, whereby his bail plea has been rejected. Then counsel for the state submits that there are eyewitness and recovery eyewitness to the incident, and recovery has been made. Weapon of offense has been recovered from the possession of the petitioner. In view of the serious allegation against the petitioner, I'm not inclined to enlarge the from bail. However, liberty is granted to the petitioner to renew his bail after the eyewitnesses and other material witnesses are examined. It is expected that the trial courts should give preference to examine the eyewitnesses over the formal witnesses. Since the petitioner is actually from 15/11/2022, the petitioner is also given liberty to revive his bail plea after 6 months if all eyewitnesses are not examined.
Trial may be targeted, my lord.
Huh?
Trial may
Yes,
be-
I have given.
Yes.
Yes. Continue for the
Item 1.
There are couple of passover matters. Yes. Item 1. Nobody there? Nobody is there. Rejected. Very good. Nobody is there. Investigation is over. Huh? This is a petition. This is a in this petition is seeking quashing of the FIR. The investigation is still going on. In the meantime, the anticipatory bail application has been rejected. Anticipatory bail, plea of anticipatory bail before this court has already been rejected. Therefore, I am not inclined to entertain this petition. This matter is has been urgent time to time, none appears today. So I am not inclined to entertain it. Yes.
Item 2.
May I please your lordship, my lord?
And for OP number 2, the matter has been already compromised. And the OP number 2 has already married.
Married to? Oxo is there.
That's the.
Offense? Yes, Mr. Gadai.
I have mentioned.
Nobody is there. Bail matter, we will let them. He is happy to be there in jail. That is it. Yeah.
Item 11.
Yes.
That's the case of 302.
Yes.
Here the allegation is that
Custody since
custodianship 30/4/2022.
30/4/2022. About 2 years have gone.
Lordship.
Yes.
In the meantime, a series of witnesses have been examined by the learned trial court, and they have in support to the prosecution. And some of the witnesses also stated that at the time of occurrence, the petitioner was not present at the spot house. I filed the copy of the deposition by way of memo, Lordship.
Yes.
In the memo, Lordship, with page 27, serial page 27, PW12.
PW12.
12, Lordship.
1, 2.
1,
Yes.
2. Lordship, what if? Here, Lordship, the PW, independent witness turned hostile. On the cross, he has stated that. Next page, Lordship, 28. At the time of death of the deceased, the accused was residing at Raurkela. He came to the house after getting the information about the death of the deceased. The deceased was moving around with the help of a stick. After breaking open the entrance door, the elder son of the deceased entered into the house.
Yes.
Lordship. Next, Lordship, the PW11, turning page 25, Lordship. Who is the wife of the informant and the brother-in-law, sister-in-law of the present petitioner, Lordship. She also,
I never visited with so.
Lordship.
My mother-in-law used to move with the help of the bamboo stick. Due to old age, after getting information from us, the accused came to village from Raulkela. What do you want to make out of it?
Lordship, here, Lordship, in absence of the petitioner, the brother of the petition make the allegation that he is involved in the crime.
You have a plea available.
Lordship.
Yes,
But,
Mr.
but
Rao.
my lord, your lordship may kindly have a glance the deposition witness number 2, my lord.
With the informant.
Informant, my lord.
Yes.
I am the informant in this. I know the accused Babula Sahu standing in the dock, who is my brother. I also know the deceased Kanak Sahu, who is my mother. The incident took place before 7 months back in our house. Prior to 4 to 5 days back of the incident, the accused returned from the Jharsuguda and staying in our house. The accused used to take alcohol on 27/4/2022. Alcohol on the 27/4/2022. In the night, the accused assaulted my mother. On the next, the accused called me to take my mother to the hospital. When I reached at my house, my mother was laying on the ground and told me that the accused assaulted her in the last night. I called ambulance for shifting.
Who is he? This is Mr.
He is the informant.
The brother of the accused and the second
Son of the deceased.
Yes, my lord. And he killed his mother only.
This is the allegation.
And
but the wife of the informant denied that in the time of occurrence, the petition was not present.
How many witnesses are remain now?
my lord, that's I'm requesting to your lordship, my lord. The CD is not available, but I cannot say that how many persons.
How many
have been
witnesses are
charged.
there?
There are 21 witnesses. 21 charge sheet
And
witnesses.
see, the last witness was examined
Examined, Lordship.
in September 2000.
2023, Lordship.
September 2000. 1 year has already
Lordship,
passed.
Lordship. In the meantime, all the witnesses are examined. Only the IO is remaining.
So at this stage, why bail?
Yes, ma'am.
Lordship, may dispose of directly to dispose the case within 10 days or 15 days. 10 or 15 days.
Acquitted if you are
Lordship.
right on.
10 or 15 days were targeted.
The counsel for the petitioner submits that there are 21 witnesses in this case. All the witnesses except the IO of the case has been examined, except IO of the case has been examined. Mr. Rahul also submits that except IO, all the prosecution witnesses have already been examined. You are leading defense evidence, you are going to lead or not?
No, this is the telephonic instruction.
In view of the fact that the witnesses have already been examined and the trial is taken, I am not inclined to enlarge the petitioner on bail. However, liberty is granted to the however, it is expected that the trial court should be able to see that the trial is concluded within 6 months.
Yes, 6 months, very long. 2 years inside custody, Lordship. Only because of the IO, the petitioner is the language inside custody, Lordship. None of the independent witnesses support to the prosecution, Lordship.
I don't know whether you, that is why I asked whether you are leading defense evidence or not. If you are leading, you are not leading defense evidence, I can understand it may take little time. Suppose you will lead 5, 6 defense witness and within 6 months you will keep on delaying.
No, only the IO is remaining, Lordship. For that reason, I'm saying, Lordship, dispose within a month, Lordship, at least. Only the IO is there, Lordship.
No, within 1 month I can't do that.
And after 2 months.
It's unnecessary creating pressure on.
Only because of the IO, the case is pending, Lordship. When the IO will
Make it 4 months.
2 months, Lordship.
4 months.
Okay.
Otherwise, very difficult. Yes.
16.
And it will make clear that how many accused are there?
There were solely accused.
Make clear that the accused shall not seek unnecessary adjournment on any pretext whatsoever.
The accused is inside custody, Lordship.
Still, different advocate
Say that
keep on asking adjournment.
No, she says custody, Lordship.
16.
Yes. 16.
Petitioner is the husband of the deceased.
Custody since
7/11/2023.
22.
23.
23.
And charge sheet has been submitted on 19/12/2023.
1912.
12.
23. Okay.
So FIR is
Second.
registered under section 498A and 304B against the present petitioner.
You are
and
the
authority.
husband.
I am the husband. But at the time of submission of charge sheet, the name of my mother was related. Those specific allegations that mother and son both are torturing the deceased. But in the
Mother
charge
was
sheet,
dropped.
mother was dropped
Yes.
and charge sheet has been submitted against me under section 498A 304B. But admittedly, case of suicidal hanging, there is no dispute.
Show me
about
that
the-
part.
That PM report. Because 304B.
What, how she died? You poisoning? Hanging?
No,
What?
hanging.
Ultimatum hanging.
Show me. Bolted from inside?
No, man.
Huh?
No.
That's
One
very
has
important. Yes.
And the marriage was on 5/3/23, died on
That is there.
7/11. Within 8 months, my lord.
8
She was
months. Oh, show me
and-
some evidence.
Well,
Independent witness.
My lord.
161.
From the PM report, there is only one ligature mark on the neck. There is no injury on the part of the deceased. This is number one. Number two, if you also will kindly see the confidential inquiry report from the case there is available. From the confidential inquiry report, I am placing my lord, very short. I conducted my lord, that is on 20/11/2023.
Where are you reading?
My
The
lord, that is in
confidential
case
report from the case diary.
You have?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
I conducted local inquiry, such and such, such and such, such and such. On 5/3/2023 at Lakshmi Temple, Champua, ବାହାଘର 1 ମାସ 15 ଦିନ ପରେ ପ୍ରଫୁଲ୍ଲ ହାଇଦ୍ରାବାଦ ଚାଲି ଯାଇଥିଲା। ପ୍ରଫୁଲ୍ଲ means ମାନେ
Who you are Profulla?
ପ୍ରଫୁଲ୍ଲ।
ହଁ।
ତାର ସ୍ତ୍ରୀ ତାର ବାପ ଜଗବନ୍ଧୁ ବେହେରା ପାଖରେ ଛାଡି ଯାଇଥିଲା। ସେ ପ୍ରତି ମାସରେ ତାର ଶଳା ନୀଳମଣି ବେହେରା ପାଖକୁ ତାର ସ୍ତ୍ରୀ ଚଳିବା ପାଇଁ ପଇସା ପଠାଉଥିଲା। ବାହାଘର ପରେ ସେମାନେ ଭଲରେ ଥିଲେ, କିନ୍ତୁ ପ୍ରଫୁଲ୍ଲ ପୁଥଳ ସବୁବେଳେ ମଦ ପିଇ ଘରକୁ ଫେରୁଥିଲା। ସେଥିପାଇଁ ତା ସ୍ତ୍ରୀ ରଞ୍ଜୁଲତା ତାକୁ ସବୁବେଳେ ମଦ ନ ପିଇବା ପାଇଁ କହୁଥିଲା, କିନ୍ତୁ ପ୍ରଫୁଲ୍ଲ ସବୁବେଳେ ମଦ ପିଇ ଆସୁଥିଲା। ସେଥିପାଇଁ ସ୍ୱାମୀ ଓ ସ୍ତ୍ରୀ ଭିତରେ ଝଗଡା ଲାଗୁଥିଲା। ଗତ 27/10/2023 ତାରିଖରେ ପ୍ରଫୁଲ୍ଲ ହାଇଦ୍ରାବାଦରୁ ଘରକୁ ଫେରି ତା ସ୍ତ୍ରୀ ତା ଘରକୁ ଆଣିଥିଲା। 6/11/2023 ରାତିରେ ପ୍ରଫୁଲ୍ଲ ମଦ ପିଇ ଘରକୁ ଫେରିବାରୁ ତା ସ୍ୱାମୀ ସ୍ତ୍ରୀଙ୍କ ମଧ୍ୟରେ ପାଟିତୁଣ୍ଡ ହୋଇଥିଲା ଓ ସେ ରାତିରେ ରଞ୍ଜୁଲତା ଫାଶୀ ଦେଇ ଆତ୍ମହତ୍ୟା କରିଥିଲା।
That is the local inquiry report. But the complainant or other independent witnesses.
Complainant, mother, father will say
And
whatever.
independent witness also.
Independent witness.
My
Read
lord.
one witness.
One Buddhiram Prushti, my lord. I am reading.
Who is he?
Villager, my neighbor. One of the neighbor. ଯେ ପ୍ରଫୁଲ୍ଲ ରିଲିଭେଣ୍ଟ ପାଇଁ ପ୍ରଫୁଲ୍ଲ ପୃଥଳ ଆମ ଘର ଘର ପାଖରେ ପ୍ରଫୁଲ୍ଲ ପୃଥଳ ବାହାଘର ଅସୁରା ଗ୍ରାମର ଜଗବନ୍ଧୁ ବେହେରା ରଞ୍ଜୁଲତା ବେହେରାକୁ ତାର ସ୍ୱାମୀ ଅଧିକ ଯୌତୁକ ଦାବି କରି ତାକୁ ସବୁବେଳେ ମାନସିକ ଓ ଶାରୀରିକ ନିର୍ଯାତନା ଦେଉଥିଲା। ପ୍ରଫୁଲ୍ଲ ପୃଥଳର ଦାବି ମୁତାବକ ଝିଅ ଘର ଲୋକ ଅଧିକ ଯୌତୁକ ନ ଦେଇ ପାରିବାରୁ ପ୍ରଫୁଲ୍ଲ ସବୁବେଳେ ତାକୁ ପିଟାମରା କରୁଥିଲେ, ଖାଇବାକୁ ଦେଉନଥିଲା ଏବଂ ହଇରାଣ କରୁଥିଲା। ବିବାହର କିଛି ମାସ ପରେ ପ୍ରଫୁଲ୍ଲ ପୃଥଳ କାମ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ହାଇଦ୍ରାବାଦ ଯାଇ ସେଠାରେ ରହୁଥିଲା। କିଛି ଦିନ ତଳେ ପ୍ରଫୁଲ୍ଲ ଘରକୁ ଆସିଥିଲା। ସେ ଘରକୁ ଆସିବା ପରେ ସ୍ୱାମୀ ସ୍ତ୍ରୀଙ୍କ ଭିତରେ ସବୁବେଳେ ପାଟିତୁଣ୍ଡ ହେଉଥିଲା। ଆଜି 7/1 ମୁଁ ଶୁଣିବାକୁ ପାଇଲି ଯେ ପ୍ରଫୁଲ୍ଲ ସ୍ତ୍ରୀ ଫାଶୀ ଦେଇ ମରିଯାଇଛି। He has committed suicide, my lord. But within the 8 months of marriage, he is the husband. And the allegation is that, my lord, that there was dispute due to taking alcohol by the.
That's right. Real problem is alcohol.
The real problem
Yes,
is
yes. Main problem is alcohol.
He was completely dissatisfied.
Yes, yes, yes.
He committed suicide.
Yes.
This is the.
That is the.
And these people are not criminal, basically. These people are not real criminal. This is happens, you know. I'm granting it.
My lord, but my lord, the custody date is not 7/11. That is 8/11. That is 8/11.
8/11.
Okay, 8/11. Okay.
charge sheet 7/11.
Although in the
Rejection of the record
allegations were made against the present
record
petitioner and his mother regarding the dowry torture meted out to the victim, which led the victim to take extreme step in the life. However, in the charge sheet, the mother has been dropped and the petitioner is made to be only accused, only accused. The petitioner is in custody since 8/11/2023. The perusal of the statement of the independent witnesses and other witnesses in the present case under section 161 CRPC reveals that the petitioner has been drinking heavily and torturing the drinking heavily as a result of which the victim has been completely dissatisfied and eventually he committed suicide by hanging. Suicide by hanging. This aspect of the matter is also emerging from the medical evidence. Medical evidence, wherein it is medical evidence. Medical evidence. Petitioner is in custody since 8/12/2023. Charge sheet has already been filed on 19/12/2023. In view of the period of custody and so on, so granted leave. Yes.
At a meeting,
None appear. In the interest of justice, adjourned.
item 19,
May I please, Your Lordship? My lord, the present petitioner is a young high school teacher. While he is discharging duty on 1/8/2023, got to know her wife committed suicide from the neighbors and reached there, and her
You
wife,
are in custody since
my lord, since 3/8/2023.
8/23.
My lord.
Okay. Yes.
And my lord, initially
You are the husband.
my lord,
The husband.
Yes.
Well-
What is the allegation against you?
my lord,
You are the only accused.
no, my lord, the co-accused persons released on bail, the in-laws,
In-laws.
my lord,
How many accused are there?
4,
Mother-in-law,
Mother-
father-in-law,
brother-in-law.
brother-in-law.
They are
you,
released on
you.
anticipatory bail.
Yes.
My lord, rejection was on 20/12/2023.
Hmm.
And charge sheet was submitted on 31/12/2020.
My lord, my lord,
And marriage was within 2 months, 8 days, she was died.
my lord,
Why not you go to the trial court? All accused persons are, co-accused persons have already been granted bail.
my lord, there is 9 witnesses has been examined. The independent witness, the neighbor stated that she is committed suicide. Then they informed the husband. The husband reached there, and
Very show me that.
my
That is the case,
My
then
lord,
he is entitled.
my lord, PW3 is one of the neighbor, my lord.
She reached subsequently.
He was
My-
in the school. When
was-
he got
he
the
was in
information.
school, so-
My lord, it's not a model. It's comes at my lord
Suicide.
due to hanging.
there is no external injuries
Where
also.
is that? Which part of it?
Mm.
He's gone to his school, where he was working as a teacher, like right down. Petition is accused on so and so. Allegation against the petition, what is it? How many witnesses have been already been?
My lord,
9 witnesses have been
8
examined.
witnesses are total.
9 witnesses have already been examined in between. And the independent witnesses have deposed before the court that on the date of the incident, that is on the 1/8/2023, the present petitioner, who is the husband of the victim, was in school. At that point in time, his wife hanged herself inside the house. On seeing the incident, the witnesses have informed the petitioner, who was in the school, regarding the incident. Immediately thereafter, the petitioner reached the spot. Thereafter, the victim was taken to hospital.
My lord, they called for doctor. Doctor said
Thereafter,
you die.
thereafter the petitioner called a doctor to the spot. To the spot. This statement is being corroborated with the other evidence which has come on record so far. Petitioner is in custody since 3/8/2023. So granted.
He shall, my lord, one condition, he shall not
Huh?
form contact with the prosecution witnesses because informant and others were not
Ah,
taken.
those conditions will be right. Those conditions are right. Yes.
Much obliged.
Article 20.
Offense.
My lord, offense 20B. Who I see, my
Earlier also he has sought time many times. 2-3 times.
Brown
Not
sugar.
appears for the petitioner in interest of justice. Urgent to yes.
21.
21, my lord. One week after the lords. Case of 307 turned to 302. File misplaced from it. One week after.
Actually, he may renew his prayer because the rejection order was that when 307 was there. Now it was talked to 02, that
21 item.
21.
Charge sheet, when charge sheet was filed?
Charge sheet was submitted on 22/4/2024.
And
rejection order is 18/1/24.
Petitioner is agreed by 18/1/24.
24.
Whereby his bail plea has been rejected. Subsequent thereto on
Turn to charge sheet submitted on 22/4/2024.
22/4/2024. Charge sheet has been submitted. In that view of the matter, I am not inclined to entertain this application. Liberty is granted to the petitioner to renew his bail plea before the trial court. Before the trial court. With this liberty, the petitioner is before. Yes.
22.
Pardon to mention item number 18. आश्वास पड़ेगा
18?
item 18.
You have been asking time and time.
No, time में कभी वो कोरिया पे आश्वास
So next
पड़ेगा.
week. Next week. Yes.
Minor 22, I don't.
I adjourn it to October.
हाँ नहीं वो आश्वास literally पड़ेगा.
Minor.
Court number 2
Next week.
court number 2 रे building रे top है.
Sometime happens.
My lord, item 22, withdraw, my lord.
Thank you. You give the memo. Yes.
23.
Case of 302, my lord.
Yes.
Basing upon the circumstantial evidence, my lord.
Hmm.
And the deceased and the petitioner are relatives, my lord.
Lordship, I ask for the CD and charge sheet that has not reached.
No. Oh, awaiting CD. Adjourn.
Next week, my lord.
24.
Please, Your Lordship. Last occasion, your Lordship directed to file the medical report and charge sheet. I have already filed, that has come at flag O. And also I have filed the certificate copy of the 164 sheriff statement, kindly see at flag K. The petitioner and victim fled away from the village and stayed at Bangalore. There is no allegation of regarding the offense under section 3762N.
370?
3762N and 6 of the POSCO Act. The petition is requested since.
What is your age?
Age 17 years, 2 months.
You are 26. Okay. Now show me that part. 164.
164 flag K. Can you see?
Flag?
Flag K.
K.
Flag K.
Yes. Read it.
I have already filed. It is there, my the bunch of important articles.
You are 23.
Yes, and she's 18.
18.
Now 18. At the time she was 17.
Show me 164.
In the meantime, her deposition is recorded.
Deposition.
Already filed but not formed.
Is not supported.
Supported message she kept quiet for 3 years, my lord. Only now, until 23, she's uttering, my lord. The first incident took place.
Which is the relevant part? I can't read the 5-6 pages like this. Show me the relevant part. And this is how you damage your case. You know, you allow me to read everything.
And
Then
already
I may change my mind. You
already
show me the relevant part which will appeal the court to grant you the bail. If you are handing over everything, this is the wrong way of doing it. I am giving you time next week.
Then I have already filed but not formed.
Let it come.
Paragraph 3, man. Paragraph 3.
Yeah. Read it, relevant part. You don't have a copy. You file it. But this is no way of
Already
doing it.
filed, madam. Already.
But you should have a, you read it, you are giving the
I'm reading,
paper.
madam. I'm reading.
No, you, next week, next week.
Next week, more case ta padi jahat.
What to do? You, this is the way you conduct, what to do?
Already filed last time when it was there, my
Next Monday. This is no way of conducting a case. You even don't have a copy. You file a, this is not there on record. You one copy you are giving, you are not, you don't have. You are giving the entire thing to read. I may read something and I'll find out something
I'm
again.
reading, madam. I'm reading.
Are you bargaining that risk? I'll read everything, I'll find out something.
I'm reading, madam. The relevant part I'm reading, madam.
Don't give that. This is no way. I'll tell you. Keep it in Monday. It's for your betterment, I'm telling you.
Tomorrow, madam. Tomorrow. Fine.
No, tomorrow not possible. Monday. You don't take it like, see, if you allow me to read everything, I may find out something wrong from there. Then I may not be persuaded.
On the very
So read relevant part for the purpose of bail. That's all.
May read, madam. On the
You
very
will
net
read and
I filed, madam. On the very net I filed.
where is that? Where is that? I don't have that.
Not at com, madam. On the very net I filed, madam.
Are we not wasting time like this? Let it be on Monday.
Tuesday. Monday.
Tuesday. Tuesday, the talk, no problem.
26.
May I please your lordship? May I please your lordship?
Yes, madam.
Lordship, be directed to file the lower court status. I have filed the lower court status, lordship. The earlier location.
Yes. Where is that?
Lordship, I have filed his additional document.
This document I need.
If a lordship is allowed for screen sharing,
It's not document.
He is not supplied the
Not
deposition copy to us.
You got the copy?
No, no, sir. Deposition copy is not come, but otherwise CD is there.
What are the documents you have filed, madam?
lordship, the lower court status. Lordship is directed to file the lower court status.
You have given a copy to the prosecutor?
Lordship,
Has he given? No, he says no, he has not received it.
Lordship, I
I'm
have
putting
filed.
it on the Tuesday, let it be on Tuesday. And registry to verify the adjourned.
28. Another matter, item 14. To dispose of, I am for the informant, my appearance may be recorded.
14 appearance. 14.
Okay.
It has been disposed of. Appearance. His appearance. Okay.
May it please, Lord.
Yes.
On the last occasion, no, my lord, not the co-accused. Your lordship had,
First you tell me the fact, you are straight away
my
giving a
lord,
judgment.
my lord. my
Tell me
lord.
the fact.
Well, the fact is that the present petitioner had eloped with the
Show
victim.
me 164 statement. Show
The
me
164 statement is at page number 13.
13. Huh?
My lord.
13.
I have also provided the deposition. I have on the last occasion given the deposition copy of the victim.
Where is that?
Well, it was on record.
No, it's not.
I had
there.
supplied the deposition copy of the victim.
See, nowadays paperless code. So if you give some paper, it will, we don't have a file. That's the problem. Where have you given? It's not there.
I physically handed over to your lordship and your lordship.
Handed over, I just entered
Well, there is a
it.
noting.
Otherwise, I should not have entered it.
Well, there is a noting in the list also. That 164.
Where is that? It's not there now. I guess. You file it. See, these are paperless code. These people have no file. You give something, they'll keep it and they'll throw it. What to do?
I have provided.
Because they don't have a file. If there is a file, they will tag it. If there is no file, what to do?
Provided.
That's the whole difficulty.
My lord.
So file it with Tuesday, Wednesday. File all these things and I understand.
Grateful.
Wednesday.
My lord, but I don't have the certified copy anymore. I'll file the.
I don't need certificate copy.
My lord.
These are not appeal. These are bail.
My reference should provide a copy to that one.
Yes,
Give
yes.
a copy,
Yes.
file it on record so that.
Yes.
File it today itself.
My
You
lord.
won't file it.
Obliged.
And make sure that it comes on record when scanning and.
My lord, I'll ensure that. Grateful.
29.
Meet visual lordship. Here, my lord, on the last occasion, my lordship was pleased that as there is a demand of some amount from the petitioner,
Yes.
I was instructed to pay some amount, and then accordingly I have paid 1 lakh. And the fact is like this, my lord. The petitioner as well as the victim, both are friends, aged about 29 years. Love started between them, and in the year 2020, she went to Calcutta, and there
Went to?
Calcutta.
Okay.
And there the petitioner kept relationship, physical issue. Thereafter, it is alleged that continuously she developed a relationship, and the petitioner also kept physical relationship. Thereafter, in the year 2024, this case was registered, alleging therein that he had taken rupees 3,10,000 from bank and cash of 1.5 lakhs.
3.5 plus 1.5.
Mass. And the charge sheet was peculiar enough, my lordship was appraised on the last action, 498A as there was marriage, and 376-2N. Both were added. That was why my lordship was pleased to release him bail, but directed to pay some amount.
Petitioner, he had taken some amount from the
No, but these are not recovery proceedings.
Exactly.
lordship.
So only to help you out, I asked.
Yes,
give something.
she has received that 1 lakh.
Be happy with that. At least you got 1 lakh rupees. He is entitled to bail. You are not a recovery agency. We are.
Now, before
and
that,
you had relationship. You went with him, stayed in Calcutta,
but
had
that-
physical relationship.
That
After
marriage
2
was
years,
legalized.
after 2 years, you file an FIR.
Not stayed.
And that to 498, even there is no semblance of marriage anywhere. And rape also.
But
You
nowhere,
be sure, and recovery also.
but
What do
nowhere,
you want?
your lordship, I have received that amount as your lordship.
I am granting bail, you sort it out yourself. You sort it out. Right now. It is in the accusation also. Where is that statement 164?
164 is not recorded.
Not recorded.
No, my lord, 164 is there, my lord.
Just read it out.
And
I'll record that. In 2022 this has happened. And
2020.
20 this has happened. And FIR registered in
22. That is, my lord, on 28 January 2024. 28/1/24.
FIR.
My lord.
And incident pertaining to 2020. 2020.
Yes. No date is there, but year is there.
Continuous, your lordships, because
No, starting.
start.
You continue with the relationship, it will continue. What to do? Right now. Petition is taking also, allegation is petition also. The allegations are pertaining to year 2020. However, the FIR was registered only on 22/1/2024. The investigation has already been completed and charge sheet has already been filed. And the petition is in custody from 10/10/2020. How come you are in custody from 10/10/23?
29/1.
29.
29/1/2020.
29/1.
2024.
23.
24, your lordship.
24.
Again.
29/1/2024.
24.
My lord.
24. Because FIR is on 22/1.
My lord.
Granted. Okay. Yes.
Obliged.
The draft you have given.
Yes.
Your lordship may record my objection also.
No, objection. No, objection.
Item 30.
Petitioner is the husband Mahila. Cash sheet submitted under section 498A 306 304B.
Please to call for the Visara report.
Visara report. Yes.
And for the informant. The occurrence took place within 2 years.
Sorry?
Occurrence took place within 2 years of marriage. And he is a very poor person. He is a milkman of Cuttack town. And he had given his daughter, only daughter, my lord. She was a lecturer, of course. She was given, and it's such a heinous crime, my lord, they have committed. They tortured like anything, demanded dowry. Then he paid 1 lakh rupees for purchasing a motorcycle. And it was not stopped there. Subsequently, this thing has happened.
Due to domestic
My-
quarrel, entire case happened, my lord.
And
I may place
you
my
don't
lord
take
for me.
liquor.
Can you poison?
No, my lord.
Hanging, my lord.
My allegation, I was
Which
not there.
hanging?
I was not there. I was there in my house. And the marriage took place in the
Hanging.
Bidanas.
Just see,
No,
hanging.
there is no.
My lord,
My lord, he was assaulting every day almost by taking liquor. That is the consistent evidence of the prosecution.
No, my lord. Last week, I will permit my lord. I place the independent witness, my lord. Statement of independent witness.
Custody since?
I am
First
holding,
question,
I am holding the independent witness statement.
First question 410. First question, my lord, 4/10/2023.
And till date, my lord, despite of the fact that the anticipatory bail of the other co-accused persons have been rejected, they are now
This is wrong submission, my
moving.
lord.
They have not been arrested, nor they are coming to and cooperating in the
No, my lord.
investigation.
My lord, two
And
of
my
the
only
Charge
stand,
sheet has not been filed.
charge sheet not because of their
charge
abscondence.
sheet filed, my lord.
So
Charge
they are
sheet
so
already
far as
submitted, my lord.
because he is in custody, my
Charge sheet
lord,
is the
what
charge
charge sheet is
Charge sheet submitted, my lord.
No, what
The-
about the other?
Yes.
My
How
lord,
many
the
accused are there?
My lord, chemical examination report reveals that poisonous compound and drugs could not be detected, madam. Opinion of the
Out of
physician, madam.
five accused persons.
My lord, two were granted anticipated by this honorable court, and two in respect of father-in-law, mother-in-law, application pending before this honorable court, my lord.
It was once rejected.
Before this, not
second
rejected,
time
my
it
lord.
was-
It was withdrawn, my lord. Again, it was filed, my lord, pending before this honorable court, my lord.
And my son, my son, I mean the grandson is in their custody.
No, that is a different story.
No, that is not because of they are not arrested. I am not getting the child even also. And I was also compelled to pay 1 lakh rupees. A milkman, how could he arrange and pay 1 lakh rupees for
Okay,
purchasing
but
a motorcycle?
see,
And he was subjected to so.
Let us concentrate whether it is a suicide or it is a murder. What do you say?
For the
At
date,
least
my
we
lord,
are
due to.
Yes,
Charge
Ma'am,
sheet
I'm
is
reading the
submitted.
one. I'm reading the statement of one of the neighbor, my lord.
Hmm.
That Jilly Shetty. ଆମ ଗଳିରେ ରହୁଥିବା ଦିବାକର ଦାସ ଆମର ପଡୋଶୀ ଅଟନ୍ତି। ତାଙ୍କ ପୁଅ ଜନ୍ମଜୟ ଦାସ ମାରଡ଼
Damodar Das is the
ଜନ୍ମଜୟ ଦାସ ମାରଡ଼
nahi.
Yes, petition.
Janmajay Das.
ଜନ୍ମଜୟ ଦାସ ମାନେ ପିଟିସନର ମାରଡ଼ ଜନ୍ମଜୟ ଦାସ ବାହାଘର ପୁରୀଘାଟ ଥାନା ଅନ୍ତର୍ଗତ ବାଖରାବା ଗ୍ରାମର କୃଷ୍ଣଚନ୍ଦ୍ର ବେହେରାଙ୍କ ପୁଅ କୌଶଲ୍ୟା ବେହେରାଙ୍କ ସହିତ ବୈଦିକ ରୀତିର ସମାଧାନ ଏହି ବିଭାଗର ବିଡ଼ାନାସୀ କୁମ୍ଭାର ସାହିର ରହୁଥିବା ଝିଅର ଦାଦା କାଳନ୍ଦୀ ଚରଣ ବେହେରା ଝିଅ ଘର ତରଫରୁ ମୁଁ ଓ ଘର ତରଫରୁ ମଧ୍ୟସ୍ଥି ଭାବେ କାମ କରିଥିଲୁ। ବିଭାଗର ସମୟରେ କନ୍ୟା ପକ୍ଷ ତରଫରୁ ନଗଦ ଟଙ୍କା ସୁନା ରୂପା ଅଳଙ୍କାର ପଲଙ୍କ ଗଡରେଜ ୱାସିଂ ମେସିନ ଫ୍ରିଜ ସହ ସମସ୍ତ ଘର ଉପକରଣ ମାନ ବର ପକ୍ଷକୁ ଦେଇଥିଲେ। ବିଭାଗର କିଛି ମାସ ପରେ ମଝିରେ ଦିବାକର ବାବୁଙ୍କ ଘରେ ପାଟିତୁଣ୍ଡ ହେବାର ମୁଁ ଶୁଣିଛି। ଅନେକ ଥର ଝିଅର ଦାଦା କାଳନ୍ଦୀ ବେହେରା ଝିଅର ବାପା କୃଷ୍ଣଚନ୍ଦ୍ର ବେହେରା ବାବୁ ଦିବାକର ବାବୁଙ୍କୁ ଘରକୁ ଆସି ପୁଅ ବୋହୂଙ୍କ ମଧ୍ୟରେ ବୁଝାମଣା କରିଯାଆନ୍ତି। ପ୍ରାୟ ଜୁଲାଇ ମାସରେ ଏହି ଦୁଇ ପରିବାରର ଗ୍ରାମ ଭଦ୍ର ଲୋକମାନେ ଥରେ ଦିବାକର ବାବୁଙ୍କ ଘରେ ବସିଥିଲେ। ସ୍ୱାମୀ ସ୍ତ୍ରୀଙ୍କ ଭିତରେ ଆପୋଷ ସମାଧାନ କରି ଯାଇଥିଲେ। ଗତ ତା 2/10/23 ଦିନ ସକାଳ ମୁଁ ଘରେ ଥିବା ସମୟରେ
2/10/23
ସକାଳେ ମୁଁ ଘରେ ଥିବା ସମୟରେ ଦିବାକର ବାବୁ ଆମ ଘରକୁ ଆସି କହିଲେ କି ତାଙ୍କ ବୋହୂ କୌଶଲ୍ୟା ଘରୁ ରାଗି ତା ବାପ ଘରକୁ ଯିବାକୁ ଜିଦ୍ ଧରିଛି। ସେ ତାର ଦାଦା କାଳନ୍ଦୀ ବାବୁଙ୍କୁ ଫୋନ ନମ୍ବର ମାଗିଲେ। ମୋ ଦିଅର କାଳନ୍ଦୀ ବାବୁଙ୍କର ଫୋନ ନମ୍ବର ଦେବାରୁ ସେ ନେଇ ଚାଲିଗଲେ। ସେଇଦିନ ସନ୍ଧ୍ୟା ବେଳକୁ କାଳନ୍ଦୀ ବାବୁ ଦିବାକର ବେହେରାଙ୍କ ଘରେ ଆସି ପହଞ୍ଚି ମୋତେ ତାଙ୍କ ଘରକୁ ଯିବାକୁ ଡାକିଲେ। ତେଣୁ ମୁଁ ଓ ମୋ ଦିଅର ମହେଶ୍ୱର ସେଠୀ ତାଙ୍କ ଘରକୁ ଗଲୁ। ଆଲୋଚନା କରୁଥିବା ସମୟରେ କୌଶଲ୍ୟା ଭୀଷଣ ଭାବରେ ରାଗି ଯାଉଥିଲେ ଓ ସେ କାହାରି କଥା କିଛି ଶୁଣିବାକୁ ରାଜି ନଥିଲେ। କୌଶଲ୍ୟା my lord, this is my lord.
He is not placing the proper evidence.
Okay. One minute now. ପଢନ୍ତୁ। Yes. ଭୀଷଣ ଭାବରେ ରାଗି ଯାଉଥିଲେ ତାପରେ
ତାଙ୍କ ସହିତ ତାଙ୍କ ଘରକୁ ରାଗି ଯାଉଥିଲେ। ସେ ମଧ୍ୟ ସେଇ ରାତିରେ ତାଙ୍କ ବାପ ଘରକୁ ଯିବାକୁ ଜିଦ୍ ଧରୁଥିଲେ। ମାତ୍ର କାଳନ୍ଦୀ ବାବୁ ତାଙ୍କୁ ବୁଝେଇଲେ କି ସକାଳକୁ ସେ ତା ବାପାଙ୍କୁ ଡାକିଦେବେ ଓ ତା ବାପା ଆସିଲେ ସେ ତାଙ୍କ ସହିତ ତାଙ୍କ ଘରକୁ ପଳେଇଯିବ। ଏହିପରି ବୁଝାବୁଝି କରି ଆମେ ସେଦିନ ଆମ ଘରକୁ ପଳେଇ ଆସିଲୁ। ତା ପରଦିନ 3/10/2023 ସକାଳ 5:30 ହେବ ମୁଁ ଘରେ ଥିବା ସମୟରେ ଖବର ପାଇଲି କି ଦିବାକର ବାବୁଙ୍କ ବୋହୂ କୌଶଲ୍ୟା ଫାଶୀ ଲଗେଇ ଦେଇଛି। ଏହି ଖବର ପାଇ ମୁଁ ଦିବାକର ବାବୁଙ୍କ ଘରକୁ ଯିବା ଦେଖିଲି ତାଙ୍କ ଘର ଡାଇନିଂରେ କୌଶଲ୍ୟାର ମୃତଦେହ ମରି ପଡ଼ିଛି। ସିଲିଂ ଫ୍ୟାନରେ ଗୋଟିଏ ଗୋଲାପ ରଙ୍ଗର ଲୁଗା ବନ୍ଧା ହୋଇ ଝୁଲୁଛି। ଦିବାକର ବାବୁଙ୍କୁ ପଚାରେ ସେ କହିଲେ କୌଶଲ୍ୟା ରାତିରେ ଘରେ ଶୋଇଥିଲା, ସକାଳୁ ଉଠିବାରେ ସେ ଦେଖିଲେ ବେକରେ ଫାଶୀ ଲଗେଇ।
What is bolted from inside? What
that is my lord.
anything of that sort?
That other in another evidence it has been revealed, my lord. Silver bolting statement is there.
I request the State Council to place the statement of one Brajokishore Behera. I am having that. Let him, because he is appearing for the
See,
prosecution.
one witness, he.
It was not inside the bolt. He is not answering the proper question. Your lordship put a
No,
very
he said
pertinent question. If it is a case of suicide, there must be bolting of door from inside. That is a pertinent question, your lordship.
He is searching for that. He will
Yes,
answer.
it is not there.
But there is the witness which he read out.
Yes.
As per that witness, this lady was hyper on that night, and out of fit of rage, she might have done it.
Nobody has seen that occurrence, my lord. He is a man of that locality. Because
And you are trying to read some.
I am also holding evidence of
Another villager.
It is actually in the.
But see, this witness
petitioner
which
is
he
a
had
man-
read immediately preceding the offense, whatever offense is.
It is
taken
also
place.
preceding the
Preceding the offense, this man has
I
gone
am
there.
also holding an evidence of one witness,
Huh.
which is also very close to that nearby area. More idea so. More I am placing the relevant.
No, this
Vivagaro
incident
three
has
months
taken
for it.
place on 3/10/2023.
Yes.
On the night of the previous night, that is on 2/10/2023, this witness had gone and he has seen this behavior. And thereafter, next day, the suicide has taken.
That
This
police
is what we
interestedness because no dowry articles were taken by police himself. Which I am very sorry to say. The
Okay.
manner of investigation is a field case where your lordship should take cognizance of this. And I am placing one statement that of course the
Read
police.
the relevant part.
ବିଭାଗର 2 ମାସ ପରେ ମୁଁ ଶୁଣିବାକୁ ପାଇଲି କୌଶଲ୍ୟର ସ୍ୱାମୀ ମଦ ପିଇ ଝିଅକୁ ଅଧିକ ଯୌତୁକ ଦାବି କରି ମାରପିଟ କରୁଛି ଝିଅଠାରୁ ଏହି କଥା ଶୁଣି ତାର ଦୁଃଖ ସହି ନ ପାରି ତା ବାପା ପୁନର୍ବାର ଜ୍ୱାଇଁକି ଗୋଟେ ମୋଟରସାଇକେଲ କିଣିବା ପାଇଁ କିଛି ଟଙ୍କା ଦେଇଥିଲେ ମଝିରେ ମଝିରେ ମୁଁ ଶୁଣିବାକୁ ପାଉଛି ଯେ କୌଶଲ୍ୟର ଶାଶୁଘର ଲୋକମାନେ ଅଧିକ ଯୌତୁକ ଦାବି କରି ତାକୁ ସବୁବେଳେ ମାରଣାତ୍ମକ ଆକ୍ରମଣ କରି ଆସୁଛନ୍ତି
Come to the relevant part.
This is
So,
relating to Asia.
Demand was there, dowry, but already in custody since.
Father-in-law, mother-in-law, they are absconding. Admittedly, anticipatory bail was moved and they were not successful.
But pending was
Investigation is
some-
still in progress in respect of these two affairs. It will seriously affect, but they'll never surrender.
Yes, what do you say regarding the investigation? What the other accused persons, are they absconding?
My lord, that is to verify, my lord.
Huh?
That is-
Verified, Wednesday.
My
Tell
lord.
me. Only to that extent. Otherwise, he is entitled to bail. I'll grant you.
Yes, my lord, it is a fact, my lord, they are absconding.
If they're
They will
absconding,
come
your
forward.
parents are
They-
absconding.
they-
So what he says that the investigation which is going on, that will impede if you are granted.
Son-
That is what the case is. To that extent, I'll verify. Otherwise, you are entitled.
In respect of this petition, charge sheet submitted, my lord.
That
Already
I know.
submitted.
That I know.
And in respect of other co-accused, my lord, two co-accused granted anticipated with this Honorable Court. In respect of father-in-law, mother-in-law, pending application pending. with this
Let him
Honorable
say so, you told me.
Yes, yes.
Mamu Mai
I'll-
stands in a
Where-
different way. Rightly, they have been.
Family members were there, including.
No, Mamu Mai was not there.
Dibakar was there.
Mamu Mai have been granted anticipatory.
Dibakar was there. Dibakar is the father-in-law.
Yes, he was.
What about Dibakar?
Yeah, he was
File-
there.
bail was been filed pending before this Honorable
No,
Court.
because that witness has said that he interacted with Dibakar in the previous night. And he is, Dibakar, who is the father-in-law, tried to console this girl. The girl become hyper. Next day, this has happened. This is what the evidence is.
That is, my lord, police interested at best, I may say, my lord. If you not see.
I don't
see
know,
the
but I
entire-
have to see that evidence also.
Yes, only, my
My
lord.
lord,
think- see
preliminary
the
charge sheet submitted. Keep
Huh?
the
Conduct of.
preliminary charge sheet
conduct of
submitted
the
against the
prosecution,
petitioner or keeping the other persons are there.
Yes.
That's Monday, man. Monday.
Wednesday. Yes.
Please, your lordship, my lords. Was on the last occasion, since I had filed the charge sheet, which was not available with my learned senior, I had also filed a copy. It's a case now turned under section 306 of the IPC. Lordship will find the charge sheet in my IA number 925 of 2024, that is annexure 5 series. I am the husband. The marriage was in the year 2021. So far as the allegations against this petitioner is concerned, my lords, if your lordship will kindly have a
What is your name? Name is?
Imtiaz.
Imtiaz, okay.
The husband, my lord.
Page 13 is the relevant. of Annexure 5 series.
13
Again.
Yes.
So the husband, it has been stated the accused husband so and so and the elder brother-in-law who has now been asked to surrender and subsequently released on bail. Lords, both sons of so and so are liable of charges.
Where are you reading?
Page 13 of the IA.
Yes.
I'm placing the relevant portion of the charge sheet. Has your lordship got it?
Stipulated period of 120 days will be completed. Where are
Lords, page 13.
It's from charge sheet.
Yes, my lords.
Charge sheet page 13.
Page 13 of the IA, my lords. Internal page of the charge sheet is not. Page 13 of my IA. Has your lordship got it? And brief.
Your IA consisting of 3 pages.
My lords.
Thereafter the charge sheet starts.
Yes, my lords.
Charge sheet starts from page 4.
4.
And
your lordship may kindly turn to page 13.
1-3 I was there exactly.
Again. First line itself. The accused husband. Has your lordship got it?
Oh, 1 minute. Yes. The accused husband,
So
S.K. Imtiaz.
Yes, my lords.
Hmm.
So and so, and the brother-in-law who has now been asked to surrender, and he has been surrendered and released on bail, my lords.
Who are you?
My lords, I am the husband here. The elder brother-in-law, Sheikh Mukhtar, he had filed an anticipatory bail pursuant to which order I have surrendered and I have been released on bail. That is what I am saying, my lords. Both sons of so and so are liable.
You are the husband. Imtiaz.
Yes, my lord.
You are Imtiaz.
Yes, my lord.
This application is for Imtiaz.
Yes, the petitioner.
So why are you saying that I have appeared? You have not appeared. Your brother has appeared.
No, my lord, that is what I am placing, lords. Pursuant to my brother who had filed an anticipatory bail, he has now, pursuant to the directions of this honorable court, after surrendering, I have been granted bail, my lords. Now the charge, as per the charge sheet, my lords, 302 is not made out. It's a case of 306 where the doctor has opened. The cause of death is asphyxia, shock from antemortem hanging.
She died.
She died because of hanging, my lords. The prosecution story is that when the informant, who is admittedly the father of the deceased came to the house on receiving a phone call, she found the doctor lying on the cot. And there are admittedly no injuries on the bodies also.
Custody since
14/2/2024, my lords.
14/2/24. Yes, sir.
And I have got the CD up to my lord 9/4/24, my lord.
Acha, read, prepare it.
And that only chemical.
Friday.
My lords, the chemical examination report
He is not prepared.
for in the.
But he is not.
That's chemical examination report is there.
My lords, he
Are
was
you-
there.
are you-
He was
are you
there
ready
in
to-
the.
No,
are
no,
you
no,
ready
man,
to-
no.
Not, no.
After
Therefore,
setting-
my learned senior was there in the anticipatory bail application on
Anyway.
behalf of the other in-laws who have not been charge
Anyway, he
sheeted.
got the charge sheet now. He has to go through it.
My
Let it
lord.
be next week. Huh?
Well, so Lordship is fixing a date.
Yeah, date he'll fix.
Great.
32 Milots, there is a memo from memo at flag C for withdrawal Milots. But as Milots charge sheet has been filed Milots, I will seek my remedy before the court below Milots.
Since meanwhile charge sheet has been filed, Learned Counsel for the petitioner seeks to withdraw this petition to renew his bail plea before the court below.
33.
33 withdraw. 34.
34.
Yes. What is this? This matter is pending. Nobody is coming forward. 34. You are in 34.
Please, your lordship. Lordship.
See, in this matter, you have been taking time only. What is this?
No, lordship. I have not. On the last occasion, lordship has directed that he must be in the custody for another some days. That is why it is pending. Adjourned.
Okay.
Lordship, already.
Yes, you are in custody since?
Custody since 6/12/2023.
Item 34?
Yeah, 33.
33?
33, lordship.
34. So 34. Sorry, 34.
Series of cases, my lord, against the petitioner, my lord.
No, lordship, only one antecedent. Similar antecedent, Only one is there.
Manas Chand.
Manas Chand.
Manas Chand.
Well, that is there. I'm Man, that cantonment PS case number 80 of 2010, that is 379 minor. And another cantonment PS case number 88 of 10, 379. And the third is cantonment PS case number 90 of 2010.
So many cases are there against you.
392.
Yes, sir.
So
Sir,
one similar nature of
Similar
case is also
accident
there.
only one.
Any case.
NDPS ର ଗୋଟିଏ କେସ୍ ମୋ ନାଁରେ ଅଛି ପ୍ରାୟଲି
Other cases are there.
that is why I ମାନେ my
One NDPS case apart from this and other cases.
5 numbers of other
Five other cases.
yes
So then 37 is clearly bar what to do. You have similar cases.
that is why my co-accused was being released since
Co-accused, what was his antecedent?
he has no
Therefore,
no lordship he has got 4 antecedents ତାର 4ଟା antecedent ଥିଲା ଆଉ ସିଏ 15/3 ରୁ ମାନେ he has been released on bail. That's it. ତାର antecedent
in so far as he is Simanchal Gold.
lordship co-accused was Simanchal Gold.
Similar nature case ki nahi Simachal.
Maybe other cases, but not NDPS case.
Yes, sir. I have got that is
What is the recovery here?
My lord, that is he is the rider, my lord. That Chand and that Simachal is pillion rider, my lord.
Recovery?
One Jari Basta seized from
amount.
Quantity, my lord, that is 23 kg, 190 gram, my lord.
70 gram lordship.
Ganja. And what about in the other case? What is the recovery there? Similar kind of.
23, 70 gram, my lord.
70 gram.
My lord. 23 kg, as per the statement, my lord. That is, I'm reading the statement of my lord that ସେମାନଙ୍କର କେବଳ ସେମାନେ ଖବର ମୁତାବକ ଗୋଟେ ବସ୍ତା ରଖିଥିଲେ ଗୋଟେ ମୋଟର ସାଇକେଲରେ ଗୋଟେ ବସ୍ତା ମଝିରେ ଧରି ଆସୁଥିବା ବେଳେ ଆମେ ଦେଖି ସେମାନେ ପଳେଇ ଯାଉଥିଲେ ସେମାନଙ୍କ ଆମେ ପିଛା କରି ଚିଲି ପୋଖରୀ ପାଖରେ ଅଟକାଇ ସକ୍ଷମ ହୋଇଥିଲେ ସେ 2 ଜଣଙ୍କୁ ଅଟକାଇବାରେ ସେମାନେ ଖବର ମୁତାବକ ଲାଲ କଳା ଆପାଜି ମୋଟର ସାଇକେଲ ଯାହାର ନମ୍ବର ଶୁଣ ମଝିରେ ଗୋଟେ ବସ୍ତା ରଖିଥିଲେ ସେମାନଙ୍କୁ ପଚାର ଜଣେ ତାର ନାମ କହିଥିଲା ସିମାଚଳ ଗୌଡା my lord the petitioner having 3 antecedents my lord and that present petitioner Manas Chand Munna alias Rahul କହିଥିଲେ ଦୁହେଁ ହାଇଟେକ୍ ଛକ ପାଖରୁ ଫୁଲବାଣୀର ଗୋଟେ ପିଲା ଠାରୁ ଗଞ୍ଜେଇ ଆଣି ଆସିଛନ୍ତି କହିଲେ ସେମାନେ ଆଣି ତାଙ୍କ ଏରିଆରେ ଖୁଚୁରା ଭାବେ ବିକ୍ରି କରି ବହୁତ ଲାଭ କରିଥାନ୍ତି ସେ ଧରିଥିବା ରାସ୍ତାରେ ଗଞ୍ଜେଇ ଥିବା କଥା ମାନିଥିଲେ ମାନେ ତଲାସ କରିବ ସେମାନଙ୍କ ଠାରୁ କେବଳ ସେମାନେ ଧରିଥିବା ଗଞ୍ଜେଇ ବସ୍ତା ସହ ମାନସ ଠାରୁ 500 ଓ ସୀମା ଠାରୁ 520 ଟଙ୍କା ଆଉ ତାର ଗୋଟିଏ ସାମସଙ୍ଗ ମୋବାଇଲ ଫୋନ ସହିତ ଆପାଜି ମୋଟର ସାଇକେଲ ବାହାରିଥିଲା ସମସ୍ତଙ୍କ ସାମ୍ନାରେ ଗଞ୍ଜେଇ ବସ୍ତା ଖୋଲି ଓଜନ કરે ବସ୍ତା ସହିତ ଗଞ୍ଜେଇ 23 କିଲୋ 190 ଗ୍ରାମ ମାଲଟା 123 କିଲୋ 190 ଗ୍ରାମ ମାଲଟା
Tell me what should be the condition?
90 ଗ୍ରାମ ଓଜନ କଲେ ଖୋଲି ବସ୍ତା ଓଜନ କଲେ ତା 120 ଗ୍ରାମ ଖାଲି ଗଞ୍ଜେଇର ଓଜନ 23 କିଲୋ 70 ଗ୍ରାମ ଥିଲା
23 କିଲୋ 70
ନା ନା
custody since
5/12
Why?
December 2023.
Yes. What is the recovery in the other case?
Other case, it is in the rejection of the trial court, that is the 21C of NDPS Act.
What are the conditions you want? You tell me. Condition. Is to appear before.
Appear before the.
Ayo for 6 months. Huh? Outsider or?
No, local.
Petitioner is in custody since 5/12/2023.
Ibanagar, Chili Pokori, Bodagada, Bhubaneswar.
Counsel for the state submits that the petitioner is involved in 5 cases. out of which one case is similar in nature. Similar in nature. In present cases, although 23 points for contraband is involved, however, since the petitioner is involved in similar kind of cases, he shall not be paid. Third letter call for the petitioner submits that there are two accused in the present case. The present petitioner was riding the motorcycle, whereas the co-accused Simanchal was the pillion rider. In between them, the contraband bag alleged to have been placed and recovered by the police. Even the co-accused Simanchal. How many cases were there against Simanchal?
6 numbers. So Simanchal against tinta cases.
Even co-accused Simanchal, there were 3 cases pending. Since the Simanchal has already been granted bail, Simanchal has been caged by the police event. He seeks parity with Simanchal. The petitioner is in custody since 5 that case. Granted bail for both, so we will appear before the IIC. IIC, which IIC is that?
Malgoda.
Boda.
Lordship. Bhubaneswar.
Every week for 6 months. Yes. Next.
Obliged, Lordship. Deep.
35. I have been released by this honorable court, my lord, but due to fault of the IO, I am detained inside custody. My original name is A. Manoj Dora. In one case, he has charge-sheeted A. Manoj Dora. In this case, he has charge-sheeted only Manoj Dora. He left out the A. The letter court below did not release him, in spite of this honorable court order. And also, my mother also filed the affidavit that I am the A. Manoj Dora.
Identity problem. Well, show me the charge sheet. FIR, your name is there?
Yes, ma'am.
What is written there?
Manoj Dora.
Show me, page. Show me from here, FIR there. Don't. Please stop this practice of giving papers.
That is the unknown.
Unknown name. Okay. Let us come to charge sheet.
Charge sheet is in the IA, ma'am. In the IA, I have filed.
Unless you show me something, how will I do? A Manoj Dora and Manoj Dora, one and the same person. Show me from the record something.
Yes, ma'am. I have filed the education certificate. My name is A. Manoj Dora, my lord. In the IA, my lord.
Have you verified it?
I have no. Only charge copy not with me.
You verified it, the IA copy give it.
I have already.
IA copy is there. Charge sheet copy not.
A. Manoj Dora is there.
Give the charge sheet copy. Let us understand. A Dora is A Manoj Dora was charge sheeted or Manoj Dora is charge sheeted?
Charge sheeted Manoj Dora.
Manoj Dora.
Yes.
Then you are A Manoj Dora.
A. Manoj Dora.
Just verify it.
Because in another case where my court, the IO has submitted the charge sheet in A. Manoj Dora. In another case. In this case, charge sheeted Manoj Dora.
See, the bail has to be granted on the basis of the court papers, police papers. If that name is reflecting.
My correct name is A. Manoj Dora. So I have filed this case as A. Manoj Dora.
Where is your bail application? The bail application, this court granted bail on which day?
Bail granted on 6/8.
A Manoj Dora.
A. Manoj Dora.
Okay, 6/8. Where is the rejection order? Where is the rejection order?
Page 13.
1-3.
My mother also filed the affidavit that my name is A. Manoj Dara. He has been wrongly charged me as Manoj Dara.
Show me the rejection order which you are impugning here.
Page 13.
Which relevant part? I can't keep on reading 5-6 pages. Relevant part you show me.
Sir, the name is at the top, my lord.
Neither you are able to assist me, neither he is. How can I do
Sir,
anything?
I may be allowed that I may be inserted as a
How can I
alias.
correct it? I have to see the charge sheet. Charge sheet copy is not there with me. Somebody else may be accused. I don't know.
No, my lord. Only one person as a
Yeah,
Manoj Dara.
why? I have to see from the record, sir. You just show me. FIR you have filed, unknown person. Charge sheet he has filed, Manoj Dara. You file application, A. Manoj Dara. I granted bail, A. Manoj Dara.
Because my name is A. Manoj Dara.
Trial court says that A. Manoj Dara is someone else. Show me something that you are the same person.
And the IA I have filed in the annex. The document, my lord.
Father's name?
Father's name is A. Bairadara.
In charge sheet, what is the father?
Only Bairadara.
Show me. Just verify this. What is after bail is granted, only that A is missing in the name of the accused as well as his father. Perhaps that is the reason they are not giving bail.
In another case where my lordship also referred that bail application number, in that case, he charged that in as A. Manoj Dara. That case.
Just verify.
This is the.
He will solve it. Verify and tell me. Verify and tell.
Let it come next week.
Next week. Give all the document to him. He has to verify. Yes.
36.
See, I have referred to one of the bail application. He had moved in some other case. In that case, his name
He has
is
been granted as A. Manoj Dara.
And he has filed a certificate here, A. Manoj Dara.
A. Manoj Dara.
But the only problem is the charge sheet which you have filed, you missed that A. That's the reason he is not being enlarged, despite the fact that I have already granted the bail. You just verify and tell me. Yes.
And or if your lordship call for the record, then also I mention in the cost list, cost title, alias by A. Manoj Dara. Then also the problem will be solved.
You have to move the application. I can't allow you to correct like this.
But the record is not there. It is only the paperless.
That's the problem. You should have moved an application.
No, I have. That's why I filed the application.
No, that
here.
application. What are you asking? You change.
Please,
the
I
name.
want to insert the alias name as A. Manoj Dara.
Let him verify. We'll see.
If your lordship allow me, only I will insert alias.
Tuesday, Wednesday. Let him verify.
If your lordship call for the record, then also I only insert alias A. Manoj Dara. My problem will be solved.
See, these are all paperless. Codes.
That's
the
why I
problem.
filed.
I can't allow you to correct it. That's the problem.
If your lordship only
Let
direct.
him verify this one and same person from IO. Verify and tell me so that I'll record it and finish it up. Wednesday. That accounts for the name. There is a although the petitioner in the present case has mentioned his name as A. Manoj Dara. He was granted bail by this court. How would the trial court refuse to release him on bail? As in the charge sheet, his name is stated as Manoj Dara. Manoj Dara. Manoj Dara. He has moved. The petitioner has moved an application annexing the school certificate, wherein his name found mentioned as A. Manoj Dara. This responsibility to verify the state fact and seek instruction from the IO. This is the matter.
So also his father name. A.
He can verify. IO should come and tell you that. Yes.
36. May I please?
Are you instruction?
Yes, I instruction.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So I filed this application pursuant of the entire criminal proceedings. Two grounds, your lordship. First of all, is a delay of trial, your lordship, and second, there is less of prima facie case. Your lordship, a glance.
Delay in trial 2004.
2004, your lordship, and 2024, your lordship. And except your lordship taking cognizance, no other proceeding there is continuing, stand still the file, your lordship. And so far the allegation part is concerned regarding less of prima facie, it is allegation that
Is there any stay of court proceeding? Any?
No. It is SDGM court, your lordship. Case is pending before the SDGM original judicial court is in pending, your lordship. The court is functioning, your lordship.
471.
Yes, my lord.
424.
And the coordinated bench of this honorable court, your lordship, in similar circumstances, was the proceeding, your lordship. One is 26 years, another is 20 years, 8 years.
Here
This
it
the
is
judgment.
20
years, your lordship.
20 years. What is the status now? I think you are not interested.
I have no instruction.
20 years FIR was registered in 2004 and the charge sheet was filed in the year 2008. 27/5/2008.
Cognizance 2008.
And thereafter nothing happens. Prosecution is not interested, it seems. So we'll quash it.
Let me take it.
It's clear cut violation of Article 21.
We'll quash it.
Let me come also next week.
Notice has not been.
Yes.
Mr. Janna, legal counsel for the petitioner submits that the FIR was registered on 18/5/2004 and subsequently the charge sheet after investigation charge sheet was filed on 27/5/2020. Charge has been framed.
No, your lordship, only cognizance taken.
Except the trial court taking cognizance in the cognizance of offences. Nothing has been, not a inch has proceeded. Proceeded. Therefore, proceeded even after lapse of more than 20 years. Therefore, relying upon
That is one and another prima facie case.
Relying upon series of judgments, he submits that on the ground of delay. So I'll write subsequently. On the ground of delay, the entire proceeding it should be quashed apart from on merits, issue notice to so.
IA is there.
IA for what?
Stay further proceeding.
You say there is no proceeding. Why?
Correct, your lordship. On the moment your notice has been issued, they will proceed, your lordship.
No, once I stay, then you lose that ground. The first ground you lose. Why should you lose that first ground? I'm putting it next week. Let him come and I'll,
Any day you
on the first ground I'll quash it. If I grant a stay, then you lose the first ground.
Oblige.
Tomorrow it will be read against you, saying that you have gotten stay.
No, stay order so far the order passed by this only is concerned, but the period lapses of 20 years.
Why should I stay?
Why
should I stay? You yourself say that since last 20 years nothing is happening.
Correct, your lordship.
And why should I stay? What is apparent threat to you? Nothing.
A date may kindly fix, your lordship. A date may kindly fix.
Yes. After 1 week he will give.
A specific.
And if this is the fact, you have not even framed the charge, I am going to quash it. Yes. Not that the moment the notice is issued, now you frame the charge. That is neither here nor there. If you have not framed the charge for 20 years, that is enough for me to quash the entire. And many of the witnesses might have died by now. And he has to seek instruction whether the accused is still alive or not.
Still, I could not be applied for this because I am now under service before in the Bani Vihar lordship. Due to this proceeding, I am suffering from the service period lordship.
The only thing we have to see that whether the delay is attributable to you or not.
Nothing else. Now, so far my knowledge is concerned, after taking cognizance, process has to be issued so far the accused persons concerned. They upon receiving the process appeared before the court below. We have never received any procedure agent today, lordship.
Let us see. I will ask a report from the court also. Which court you tell me? I'll pass.
SDGM Bhubaneswar, lordship.
SDGM.
SDGM Bhubaneswar.
SDGM Bhubaneswar. Regarding the status of the case arising out of PS case, PS case so and GR case is there, nothing is there.
GS case there, lordship.
GR case number 1477 of 2004. Corresponding to 14.
There is no latches on my part, lordship. Whatever latches, this is on.
Let the report come, we will pass.
Yes.
Item 35 already charged with
I directed him to serve the charge Milord. What happened? I am Milord. One page he has just Xerox Milord. This saying that in charge you.
Wait.
He has charge sheet copy.
See, these are dangerous things, you know.
They think.
My lord, I have already filed the charge sheet copy also in the IA, and that also served to him. And for the part of a IO, I will be written.
One page.
One page charge sheet, then is
Just
there only.
please verify so that because bail has already been granted because of this technicality is not able to come out. That is the reason.
So that is not there. Minor directly in the file. Serve the charge sheet copy.
Give a copy why only.
38.
38, huh? 37.
My lord, 37, the noting is copy not served, my lord. I am serving now on another copy, my lord, your lordship. 37, copy not.
Now he has to read it.
My lord, no, my lord, another date, my lord.
For next week.
I have already given, but somehow.
Yeah, urgent.
39.
My lord, I prefer 1 week time to remove the defect.
Defects.
Yes, Lord.
These are bail matters.
Yeah.
Defects. Then counsel for the petitioner takes 1 week time to cure the defects. He may do so within 1 week. If defects are not cured, matter shall be dismissed without resolution of the court. If defects cured, release the matter after 2 weeks.
40.
Yes.
This is with regard to the Bahana accident, railway accident case, my lord, where my lord discharge petition was rejected and my lord we are challenging the entire criminal proceeding. Notice was issued on 20th May, my lord. Mr. Nayak is appearing.
20th May.
Yes, my lord.
Yes.
Yeah, my lord, bail
But
application.
after the, just 1 minute, Lordships, after the rejection of the discharge application, your lordships, charge were framed. He is not challenging the charge application, your lordships. Let him amend the petition and challenge the charge, your lordships, because charge has already.
Why my discharge is rejected? Why I will charge?
No, after discharge is rejected, your lordship.
After discharge, my lord, definitely they will frame the charge.
Merit,
he's not
let us see the merit because see, otherwise he has to file a revision now against that. Yes, let us see the merit.
My lord, entire proceeding we are challenging.
Yes.
My lord, he has been the offense that under section 304 part 2, 201 and section 34 of IPC read with 153 of Indian Railways Act 1989. My lord.
You are Poppu Kumar, huh?
Yes, my lord. I am the lowest level technician, my lord.
How many accused are there?
My lord, only 3 accused persons. The main accused, the main person who is behind all this chaos, my lord, the accident took place is because, my lord, in way back in 2018, the drawing, how the circuits operate, because the accident took place because of the misplacement of circuits, my lord. And I was only on deputation on a very same day when this accident took place for a maintenance work. I am not the person who is in the position of giving a signaling or any other thing. My lord, station master has not been made an accused person. I have been given a scapegoat over here, my lord. I am only a mere technician, my lord. My job was to only to fix a signal, and that signal was in 94. LC number 94, my lord. So, my lord, what has happened?
Yes.
2000, there were this, a diagram is made out, my lord, where the circuits are there, and there were faults in different circuits, my lord. So, I was in the position of only maintaining or only rectifying certain circuits, my
Let
lord.
us come to the charge
Yes, my
sheet.
lord. Charge sheet, my
Let
lord.
us see what are the allegations.
Yes, my lord.
Come to page 39.
Yes. I'm reading from the letter number page 39, my lord. Yes, my lord. Whether during the maintenance checking done on 22 May 2023 or subsequently thereafter till the date of accident on 2/6/2023, any tampering was done in the EI system, whether the tampering affected the operation of point number 17A and 17B, the corresponding home signal, or any other part of signaling system which led to the wrong setting of the route of the upcoming Coromandel Express, resulting in the accident. Based on the analysis of the data logs.
Was the casualty in the accident?
My lord?
Casualty?
Casualty was more than 100, my lord.
Yes.
More than 100.
Hmm.
And more than 296 were dead, my lord. Others injured. My lord, based on the analysis of the data logs stored in the EI system and the data logger at Vahananga Bajar railway station to give an option as to whether there is any mismatch of data in these 4 data logs, whether there is any abnormality noticed in the functioning of EI system of Vahananga Bajar railway station on 2/6.
All these things are very technical things.
Yes, my lord. My lord, if my lord will permit me, my lord, can I ask my associate? He will explain the details of it.
No, what I am saying is,
My lord.
if so much of technicalities are involved
My
in the
lord.
case, and police has investigated,
Full-
and these are the cases where trial has to proceed.
My lord, my
Trial court will find out whether correct.
No, my lord, my
right
submission-
witnesses have to come to the witness box. Tell the court regarding the technical.
My lord, can all
Whether
this,
whether from point 17A to 17B, whether there is any tampering or not.
my lord, I will.
How can I decide on the
And
basis
he
of
made-
this?
My lord, I will show
Unless
my
that
lord, my lord, I will
particular
show
witness comes
straight
and
away.
depose.
My lord,
Your
I will
lordship,
straight away show.
just 1 minute,
One
your
minute.
lordships, the defense of the accused is not to be considered at the stage of the framing of the charges
No, no,
also.
one
That's
minute,
right.
let
He had
me-
made
Let
all
him-
those
let
arguments.
me-
Mr. Naik, let him make out his case.
He
But
made
from
all
his
those
time, my
arguments,
view
it
is
was
this.
discarded
My
by the
lord, I
trial.
got
Now
it.
that trial is going
Keeping
on.
that in
Definitely,
mind, you
definitely,
address.
definitely, my lord.
Keeping
My
that
lord-
in mind, you
My lord,
address.
when, my lord, kindly see, there is a report which was placed along
And
with
these are the questions framed by the investigating agency,
My lord.
and thereafter these questions were answered subsequently.
My lord, my submission
in the-
is one-fold, my lord. My submission is this: I am only a technician. I am no way connected with this fixing of this.
These are all technicians' job
No,
only.
no, my lord. Station master was there. He is the person who has to take all the things into account. I am not the person who is going to give signals or any other thing. Station master, my lord, who is the main culprit, he has been left out, my lord. My lord, if I read only one paragraph of that,
Don't argue that.
my lord.
A relevant accused has been left out.
My lord,
by
that
the
cannot be a ground to
prosecutor. That
absolve
can't
my
be a ground
liability.
for departing.
Definitely.
One
That
second.
cannot
19
be,
is there if
that
Your
cannot
lordship-
be,
evidence comes, they'll
that
call
cannot
you.
how
be a
does he-
ground for
Your lordship,
my.
how does he know?
No,
How does he know that the station
my
One
lord,
master is
minute,
accused?
Mr.
One
Naik,
minute.
1 minute, let him
My lord,
complete. You get your opportunity.
How does he know that station master is the accused? He himself has done
Wait,
anything.
he's trying to make out his case. Let him start at least.
Okay,
Wait.
cool.
my lord, what is my, first my lord has to see what is my job chart. What was I was assigned with. If I have deviated from that job chart, and if that job, if I am not able to perform, and for that any negligence in that particular job, if this accident has happened, then my lord, I am liable to face the entire trial. If my job doesn't prescribe a certain things for which I will be now made liable, then there is a case, then that is has to be decided by this court, my lord.
Come to the allegation part.
My lord.
These are all technicality they have explained.
My lord.
Query number 1, query number 2 and all.
My lord.
And thereafter what is attributed to you?
My lord.
Come to page 44.
My lord.
Case FIR number 64, dated so-and-so,
My
so by so-and-so, based on the information given by Pappu Kumar Naik, so-and-so regarding, you are Pappu Kumar?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
My lord, before that, just I will show what is the duty of the technician, technical signal, my lord. That is at page 146.
146? Yes.
This is 3.8.1, duties of a technician signal.
This is part of charge sheet.
This is part.
This document.
Yes, my lord.
Huh?
Serial number 86, my lord, of the charge sheet, my lord. This is the duty that has been prescribed.
Where are you reading?
Page 146, 3.
Yes.
8.1, my lord.
Yes.
Duty of a technician.
Technician, signal.
Duties of a technician signal are detailed in various chapters in the manual, the most essential being the efficient maintenance testing of all equipments under his charge, such as mechanical signaling equipments, electrical, electronic signaling equipments, telecommunication equipments, so as to keep them properly maintained and in good working condition in accordance with instruction contained in this manual. Such circulars or instructions may be issued from time to time. Then B, this is very essential, my lord. Carrying out works and alteration to the existing installation under the instruction of SSE and JE signal or SNT officers, my lord. This is accused, no, SNT officers are accused 1 and 2, my lord. So I have to be instructed by them to carry out a maintenance work, my lord. Then thereafter, my
You
lord.
are a technical officer.
I-
Suppose you are senior. Suppose the station master says you
My
to
lord.
do something which is not in consonance with technical
My lord.
feasibility.
My lord.
Can you do it?
No, my lord, I will never do
Then-
it. I will never do it. But what has happened over here, my lord?
So
My
these
lord, there
things
is a,
these things are
no,
very
my lord,
clear now.
kindly appreciate, there is a diagram, my lord, which was prepared in way back in 2018. And there was the default in those diagrams, my lord. That is not my concern, my lord. I was never there on 2018
You show me
Yes, ma'am.
anything on record that you
Yes,
have
my lord.
raised
My
the
lord,
concern.
my
If
lord,
you raise the
kindly see
concern
what-
that diagram is wrong.
Yes, my lord.
And I am asked to operate that wrong things.
Page number 65.
60?
5, my lord. Page number 65. Page number 65. Para 26.
65, huh?
Yes.
Yes. What do you want to show?
My lord. My lord. My lord, it was revealed during the investigation that these changes were done by Sri Saurabh Haldar, both at a relay room and at the North Gomti of Mahanagar Bajar railway station. The changes were done in presence of Sri Krishna Chandra Sudai and Sri Sudhir Pati, both technicians at Mahanagar Bajar railway station, Baleswar. The changes made by Sri Saurabh.
What is this document?
This document, this is charge sheet, my lord.
Okay.
Part of charge sheet, my lord. So, my lord, just my lord, let me find it out from my good
The
temper.
changes made by Saurabh Haldar were, however, not intimated to him.
Yes, my lord. The changes made by Saurabh Haldar were, however, not intimated to him, to his immediate senior officer, Sri Sanjay Naik in charge. Sri Saurabh Haldar, the then JE signal Soro railway station, also did not mention this alteration in the cable insulation register. The only showed such significant alteration in the cable core through arrows in the cable insulation register. He also did not get the aforementioned changes shown in the cable transmission diagram and circuit diagram or the changes approved by the competent authority. After making the aforesaid alterations, Sri Saurabh Haldar, the then JE signal Soro railway station, was also required to do similar alteration in the nomenclature in the cable termination rack of the relay room as well as North Gomti. However, no such alteration in the nomenclature was done by him in the cable termination rack of the relay room or North Gomti.
That is the sole cause of accident.
My lord, only now my lord will show you the abnormalities that was found out. Abnormalities. Good. My lord may see page 165. The cause of accident. This is the report, my lord, prepared. This is the CRC report, my lord. Commissioner of Railway Safety report, my lord, that is prepared with regard to this accident, my lord.
Yes.
165, my lord. 8.2.1. My lord, the
speedometer reading of
then my lord may straight away come to 8.2.5.1. 17 NWKR circuit at North Gomti was shifted from terminal F13 and 14 to terminal F23 and 24 on CTR track 1 in the year 2018 on account of cable fault without endorsement in the completion drawing, and also shifting of this circuit was carried out without following the standard practice. Then, my lord, 8.2.
What do you want to show me on?
My lord, I want to show that
Everything was fault.
Everything was fault.
And you were asked to operate those faulty things.
No, my lord, I was only a technician who was come there to make some maintenance work. So, my lord, for example, somebody comes to High Court. For example, the High Court is under maintenance. Sorry, my lord, I'm bringing this example. And somebody from this who is managing the entire system, lift and entire thing, my lord, somebody comes from a deputation. He was on deputation, my lord. He comes there on a deputation, my lord. There was a faulty diagram to this lift section or any section, my lord, where these lifts are being operated. And because he's during the maintenance, some accident happens. Can he be blamed, my lord? My submission is this fold, my lord. Somebody has come today.
Can he also be blamed?
Yes. Can he also
he
be
can
blamed?
be blamed, but can he also be blamed?
Yes. Can he be blamed along with those two people, man? Those two people.
The accident was not happening since last 3 years.
Please, Mr. Naik, please. My lord, I'm making a submission. I may be wrong or right. That is up to the court to decide. My lord, I'm trying to make it out that this person was only in a technician capacity he was working. He was only following the instruction. Now, those instructions are definitely warranted an accident, may have warranted an accident. But he was only following an instruction, my lord. Those persons who are giving these instructions, my lord, they are to be held liable. But not this person, my lord. He's only a small-time, part-time worker, a very poor technician, my lord, over there working.
Technician's job.
My lord, because they are trying to save somebody, they are putting these people into to face the trial.
How many accused are there?
Only 3 accused, my lord. Entire system, my lord.
And everybody is in custody since last
measures
1 month.
were not followed. My lord,
173.8 is open.
Yes, it is open, your lordships. And how can you presume
why
that
you are not taking them into task? Because if
your lordship, the co-accused cannot demand arrest of somebody else. And how does he know that the
my lord, there are other points, my lord.
How does he know that station master is the primary accused?
Then I'll argue the entire thing.
See, in the charge stage,
my lord,
you
kindly
want
see.
me to go into all these
I'm
things?
not, no, my lord, kindly see.
Wants your lordship to do a mini trial at this stage and appreciate evidence.
Now, even evidence I can do it, but the technical things has to be sorted out in the trial only. I can't go into.
And there is a procedure for exhibiting of documents under the Indian Evidence Act, your lordships. It starts with section 78 of the Indian Evidence Act, how the documents needs to be exhibited. Any random report he's bringing and saying your lordship to appreciate it.
My lord, kindly see, 1 minute. I know you are.
Mr. Patnaik.
Yes.
What is the evidential value of that report,
You
your
have a
lordships?
very difficult case.
My lord,
if you want, listen, if you want time, I can give you no problem.
My lord.
But you structure your argument.
Yes, my lord, I'll
you can't
structure.
show me this page, that page, and
My
what
lord,
is
my
your
lord.
case? You crystallize your points.
My lord,
and show me the relevant.
Yes, my lord. Before I take the
taking 95 page thereafter 160.
No, my lord. What I am showing, what I am trying to show,
things,
my lord, what I am trying to show that this person, my lord, was only on basis of a deputation working on that very day.
This person was also responsible. You are trying to say that the other people, those who are responsible, they are let out.
No. Not only that. That is not my responsibility.
He is being a technician who was operating. He was in the helm of the affairs.
No,
he
my
is
lord.
Also responsible.
No, my lord. He was not in the helm of the affairs.
He was operating.
No,
system.
my lord.
That is
I'm
the
sorry.
finding.
No, my lord. I'm sorry to explain. He was
from 17 to 20. What is that? Point number 7. What is that?
17 A and B.
No. The point
Gomti,
17 to point
North Gomti,
21.
North Gomti.
He was operating that.
My lord, he was under instruction. He was carrying out only a maintenance work, my lord. He was not operating. That is what, my lord, I am submitting. He was not in charge of signaling.
Charge sheet says that. What?
Charge sheet, my lord, charge sheet. That's what, my lord, I am submit that he was only doing a maintenance work. She was not on the point of any signaling, my lord.
So many diagrams, so many.
Yes, my lord. They have given all these diagrams and everything. That is the reason, my lord, I want to go through each thing, my lord.
F17 to F24.
Yes, my lord. Now, my lord, if my lord will see the discussion at page 159, there, while the station master should have been noticed, they are fixing the entire liability on the station master. And till now, the station master has not been brought into as an accused, my lord. I'm not saying that he has to be brought in accused. That is my.
It is preliminary charge.
It is preliminary charge. That is not that if he has not been made accused, so I should be absolved of my liability. That's what I am not saying, my lord. But kindly appreciate if somebody has been brought in to maintain certain things and an accident happens, which was the duty of others to look into it. So how I can be held responsible for that, my lord? How I am? Is there any nexus between that accident and my maintenance work?
Two accused persons?
My lord?
Other two accused.
Other two accused persons, senior,
Amir Khan
senior
and
sectional engineer
Mohan.
and
Signal.
signal engineers, my lord. They are in engineering.
What is your designation?
Technician, my lord.
Show me what your charge sheet.
Grassroots employee, my lord.
Grassroots.
No, what is your job profile? Jara?
Job profile, that's what I was showing, my lord, job profile.
Mr. Naik, any departmental inquiry has taken place in this?
Yes, my lord. That is also under challenge. Technician is a technician.
Departmental inquiry? You have been proceeded against.
Yes, my lord. I have been dismissed from service. Now it is pending before this on.
Otherwise, they would have used their judgment of Justice Muralidhar, your lordships. That is not here.
You structure your this thing.
My lord, definitely. I will structure that thing.
Today I am not with you.
Yes, my lord. Definitely.
See.
Only thing that, my lord, I want to point out that there were abnormalities that was found out by the report.
The problem is it is only charge.
Yes, my lord. My lord, somebody, my lord, I am very much emotional, rather I say emotional to what has happened with the accident. And my lord, when I found out that this person, he is only what is his designation is as a technician grade 1. If somebody is brought in to maintain a thing and accident takes place for somebody else, responsibility, and I am not.
It is a preliminary charge sheet. Further investigation is on.
They may charge
and
somebody.
Some evidence.
And the grassroots workers still in jail also.
Also there. We can't.
No, for my ground, my lord, for what if I am to be absolved from this liability, I cannot be held responsible for this accident. My job card doesn't have any nexus with the accident. That's what I am to make it out, my lord. All these abnormalities that was found out
after 2 weeks. After 2 weeks.
2 weeks, like 3 weeks.
3 weeks, huh? But you get a
definitely, written note
yes.
for those detail for.
Yes.
And give me a copy in advance, your lordship, so that I can also address
Definitely,
them.
I'll definitely. Without him, I cannot do anything.
He is very thorough with facts. You give me first, then I'll.
Mr. Patnaik has partly argued the matter and seeks to place on record a written submission with advance copy to Mr. Naik. Leave the matter for further.
Jadi eta aguru matter asila court re, can we file an adjournment?
No. Don't do that. These are official notice. Okay. Yes.
Today is the 10th day.
Right on. Where is that? Special notice? Huh? This one. Rajendra Godai.
Yes, there are 2 cases, madam. PLAPL number 5301.
But whose father died?
Petitioner father.
Rajendra Godai.
Yes, madam.
Only Rajendra Godai matter, I will pass the order.
Madam,
Rajendra Godai.
there are 2 cases, madam.
There are 2 cases. Right. You have 2 cases against you.
Yes, madam.
In both the cases, the separate protocol same. Petitioner has moved an application for interim bail on the ground that his father has expired on
13 August 2024.
13 August 2024. Notice was issued on this application for verifying the factum of the death of the father of the petitioner, Mr. Rogala, after verification on instruction from
IIC, my lord. Naik.
IIC. Huh? IIC? Naikanidi. IIC Naikanidi has submitted that the verification has been done. In fact, the father of the petitioner has expired on 13th
13 August.
13th, and today is the 10th day.
10th.
Today is the 10th day. In view of the aforementioned submission made at the bar, the petitioner is granted how many days? Because 10th day, another 10 days, another 10 days. Petitioner can be released on interim for a period of 10 days from today. For the rituals. Petitioner shall surrender 10 days for a date. Surrender. Surrender before this, surrender before the jail authority on or before the 30th of August, so and so, courtroom, and subsequently say this report before this court, leaves the matter after.
Condition may be put by law. During that period, will not generate the necessary.
It is also the trial court is also directed to impose necessary condition while releasing the petitioner on interim basis.
Urgent certificate.
Yes.
My lord, 10 days from the date of release, because he cannot.
Date of release.
Date of release.
No, urgent certificate.
Then what I'll do is 10 days. Then I'll tomorrow any case you will be released.
Yes, ma'am.
So make it 31st, 31st August, because I have given a date 31st August. Yes.
Urgent copy in course of the day, ma'am.
Urgent copy every for them. For you.
Pardon to trouble your lordship. Pardon to trouble your lordship, my lord.
On the ground? On the ground, what is the ground?
His father is ill.
Ill. Ill, so it will come. Verification. You do one thing, you give the certificate and all to him, he will verify it, thereafter mention it. So that we will save the time. You have not filed interim application.
Sir?
Have you filed application?
Yes, sir.
He has filed. Supply the copy, you will verify, let us see.
Okay.
And mention it one day, Tuesday. Yes.
Pardon to trouble your lordship,
Yes.
my lord. Item number 13 of the weekly list. I was just hoping, my lord, it's a weekly list. Your lordship had said, we had made a mentioning, your lordship had said that it will be on in the list. My lord, I'm only praying that if it can be taken up on any specific date. If your
What
lordship.
is this matter?
My lord, criminal appeal, vigilance appeal, my lord. My lord, the only.
Which year?
My lord, 2006. My lord, item number 13, the only difficulty, my lord, is the person has passed away. The family is suffering because his salary and all these retirement benefit and.
394 application is allowed. It is abated then.
Yes, ma'am. That is allowed. That is allowed. That is allowed. His son has already been substituted.
Get ready, you ask the.
My lord, I've already informed. My lord, I had informed him a month back. He had said after 29th any day, 29th of last month.
See, you can try at 3 o'clock any day.
My lord, I'll do so.
Because till 3 o'clock this miscellaneous matter.
I'll try it, sir.
I am ready. If you,
I know your lordship. My lord, I understand.
Okay.
Grateful.
Any mentioning?
Yes.
Thank you. Tell him so that any day.
I'll do some.
Mail